won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Good morning, traders. Welcome to MyFundedFutures and MyFundedTV. I am Terry Trades, and we have our expert traders, Tom Sabo and Nick Does Futures. Happy Friday, everyone.
Happy Friday. Good morning, chat. And Terry, Nick, what's happening? Oh, Abhishek is here maybe? I don't know. But anyway, hello, Abhishek. What's going on this morning?
The markets were broken.
So I heard.
Yeah, hoping.
So I heard, it must have been the turkey party at around the server park. You know, I can imagine that they were partying so hard.
No, ICT said this would happen. ICT said this would happen.
I know.
A broken clock is right twice a day, right?
I thought they spilled some drinks on the servers, so they were just partying real hard, and you know, it just happened. But anyway, but we're here. That's what matters.
Yes, we are here. For those that don't know, the CME data centers were too hot and they needed to cool off. So they halted trading in the futures market for the indexes and other products with CME, with the futures and options. But the stock market was still trading, right? Like, because like the other stocks under SPY, QQQ, like that was all moving. And I think since last night, it was broken. And then it just fixed itself about 30 minutes ago. So we are back in business. Should we take a look at the charts?
Of course.
Yeah, sure. Let's do it.
Okay. Who'd like to go first, Tom or Nick?
You choose, Nick, whatever.
Yeah, I'll go ahead.
All right.
I'll go ahead and knock this thing out. All right, so good morning, everyone. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. Hopefully, you didn't blow any accounts yesterday, and hopefully at dinner, you didn't tell everyone that you're a six-figure funded trader, okay? AKA you just own 2 MyFundedFutures accounts. All right, so going to the daily here, I'm going to recap my trade too that I had on Wednesday, and that's probably the most exciting thing I can talk about. All my weekly targets have been hit. On NQ, we reached up into this buy side at 362, I believe, right here. These relative equal highs are something I wanted price to reach for. So that is hit. ES, it ran that earlier. It came in there Wednesday morning, and then today it's obviously pushing higher. Those are sort of my targets just for the week. I think we're eventually going to get back to, all-time highs. But I feel like that's a next week thing. As for today, it's kind of weird because you didn't have a London session. You just had Asia and just kind of skipped London. So I really don't know what to make of it. And I think combined with everything that bank holiday, closing today at 12 or 1 o'clock, CME going out. I'd probably just just pick up some MyFundedFutures Pro accounts and sit on until next week. I don't think you're missing much. If anything, I'd maybe take a trade to watch previous day high up here. There is an SMT there, and I'm pretty bullish on the indices, so I'm anticipating price to reach up there. So yeah, that's really all I'm looking for right there. So as for gold is moving out of. Sorry, my dog just keeps trying to dig into the trash, get some of that leftover turkey and stuff. Hey, what are we doing? You already had your food. So gold, it looks like it closed above here on Wednesday. So now look how much cleaner this price action is now. Like this hourly gap has been put in. We're getting some displacement. So now next week you can look to target this buy side up here, or even today. I mean, maybe if you want to see if you see something on gold, you can reach for that. That level is I don't think you're gonna get there today. It's just not enough volatility. 42.90 on gold. So yeah, no, I'm glad to see us break out of this consolidation. There is still a daily gap in here that price never closed above, so watch out for that. But just pay attention to the speed. If you see speed continue, and you should be fine. But the second it starts to slow down, look like this, I'm kind of just be like, eh. Let's talk about my trade on Wednesday. So let's see here. We did have price trading inside of a 1 hour gap right here from Wednesday. And if you guys go look at my Twitter, YouTube, all that good stuff, I already have it posted. Price came back into this area. I wanted it to sweep this low. Remember this London low that we were talking about? It never did. But however, if you drop down to the 5 minute right here, this is actually a very, very big trade in terms of size. So I was able to get this. This was actually a very nice end of the week. So we closed above this 5 minute inverse here very, very nicely. I had my limit order set right here at the top of this inverse. And I just had stop right here. And then I was targeting up to previous weekly high, which was, right here, 25,361. I've been here. You guys probably been tired of hearing me talk about 25,361 all week, and we finally got there. So price came into it, tagged us in. Look how it failed to close inside of there. Respected this gap that I was looking at, and then price just moved very nicely to it. About right here, I went break even or move my stop up just to sort of protect the risk a little bit and just kind of cut it in half. So I put my stop here at this swing low, and then obviously once we hit, I think 2R, right around in here, I believe was it was like 335. I believe was once we hit 335, I went break even on the trade. So yeah, no, that was a very, very, very clean trade for me, and I think I finished 2 for 2 on the week, and I'll take that any day on a holiday week for sure.
Awesome. Thank you, Nick. Yeah.
Thank you, Nick. A quick, Tom, before you give your analysis,
Sure.
can I share the special Black Friday mega deal with everyone?
Of course.
All right, everyone, it's 50% off all of the pro accounts, like any of them. And we've been talking about the big daddy accounts, right? The 150K accounts. This is the time to buy it.
Yeah, exactly. Now is the time to buy it. And by the way, as far as I remember, it's only available until 3 a.m. tomorrow, Saturday. So, it's kind of like a flash sale thing. So don't forget it.
Yes, exactly. So it's off of any of the pro accounts. Everyone gets to use this code 3 times. Please use code YouTube to receive 50% off. And with the pro accounts, you can really run it up. It's up to $100,000 per trader that you can request from MyFunded. It's a fantastic deal, and you can get paid every 14 calendar days. So there's no daily profit targets, like for example, the core account, it's like you need 5 days of $100 or more. What's special about the pro account is the getting paid every 14 calendar days, so it's almost like a bi-weekly paycheck. Also, because you can really run it up, and when you get transferred to live, you can transfer in a lot more money than the core or the scale account. What are some other advantages, Tom and Nick, about the pro accounts?
Well, there are actually many advantages. There is a simple answer to the pro account. Whenever I got asked like, hey, Tom, what can you tell me about the pro? Well, there's so many things. The short answer is you can basically, well, obviously there are some things that you cannot do, but basically you can do almost everything on the pro account. You obviously don't trade the news, but there are so many benefits. Not to mention the biggest of all, one of the biggest of all is the 100K withdrawal cap on the simulated funded account, which is amazing. I don't know how, I mean, it really amongst all the prop firms in this industry, like this is a huge thing to have 100K from the simulated account. So no daily loss limit, no consistency, and no scaling rule there, no activation fee. extremely high payout potentials there on the pro account. So I'm just gonna say, like, it's basically one of the closest that you can get to like a real cash trading account, and it's
Gotcha, yeah.
basically it's basically a simulated environment, and all the benefits that you're getting. It's really on the feeling, the trading. It's almost identical by having a real cash account. So this is amazing.
Thank you, Tom. Nick, what are your thoughts on the pro
Yeah, I will
account?
say about the pro accounts, the only thing this kind of tricks people up, and it tricked me up too, is like, even though you can request a payout every 14 calendar days, you still need a place to trade at least once every 7 calendar days. I had a payout denied one time because of that. You know, 'cause I took a trade, and I think it was a holiday week or something the following week, and you know, I went back to request and let me take it. So make sure to at least place a trade once every 7 calendar days on that. But yeah, these are my favorite accounts, right? Like you know, these are the best accounts there are, because anything over that buffer amount that you get, you can withdraw. And when you get moved to live, obviously you got way more, like Terry said, you have way more funds available to you than, you know, compared to like the scale. So yeah, they're a little bit more expensive, but you know, like right now, like that's why we're talking about $114 all in.
It's an extremely good price, and I'm gonna say it one more time, and I will repeat that throughout the show, that the freedom of strategy is with you on this account, basically. So the freedom, however you trade, your style, your decisions, nobody's gonna say what to do, what not to do, again, except for trading those big news events. But you know, the no more micro scalping rule and all that stuff. So, I mean, you can do so many things on this pro account. So that's why I said keep it in mind. All the freedom.
Yes. I think this is a great account for anyone that loves to scalp also, because right out of the gate, you can scalp with max contract size with the pro accounts.
Obviously, if you guys like to, if you're a little bit more experienced, I'm not saying if you're brand new, you should not try this out, because it's an amazing deal. But even if you're a little bit more experienced, you will see, like, yeah, if you want to take a heavy position, here's your chance. This is the account that you can do anything, basically. So.
Yes. I did snatch one up, the 150K, because I've been
that's the granddaddy account.
Yes, exactly. The granddaddy, the big daddy account. It's like the biggest luxury 5-star hotel account.
Oh yeah.
So I just snatched one up. My dream is to have 3, right?
Awesome. That is cool.
Oh, yes. So Tom, what are your thoughts this morning?
Oh my gosh, I wish I could be real specific in details of what I think could be happening. First of all, the CME outage happened with a gap here on both the micro and the mini, as we all know it and see it. On the micro, there's a liquidity void below 352.50. I'm suspecting that around the market open, maybe even before that, we still have 15 minutes, we might see a potential drop down below 352, just to reprice that liquidity void. You know, the market really loves these opportunities, especially on a Friday. You know, on a Friday, but the market sees this, yeah, you know, why not? So I can imagine a quick drop down below 352. Other than that, so I was checking. Obviously, I was streaming in the London session, but couldn't do anything. So we were just, you know, kind of going through the charts, and there is one more level I totally forgot to put here. There is a demand zone from Wednesday, New York AM session, starting from 200. Hold on a second, 245.50. So that could be a potential target for the downside. 245.50 is if this one would start to sell off. Obviously, who knows? And on the upside, the first available target, because there's nothing on the 5, the 15, or the hourly that I'm looking for. So in terms of bearish order blocks or supply zones, the first one I saw is on the 4-hour at 593. So are we going to get a rally here for Friday? It's a little bit more than 200 points. NQ can do it. So we've seen things happening, and obviously I know it's a half day, so I'm not expecting that to happen. if this would not be like an early close today, so keep that in mind, everybody. If this would not be an early close, I would say, yeah, why not go for that almost 600? But because of that, I think the market just wants to go for the easy targets, and that would be to reprice 352 and below and maybe sweep some liquidity lower. So that's what I would be looking for. I have no other demand zone that I like. So there is a small gap from Thanksgiving Thursday. There's a gap here at 302, so we might just go lower. Actually, anyway, I'm getting a little bit bearish on this one. If I take any trade, I think I'm going to work on my evaluation accounts. I don't even know if gold is back. I haven't checked gold, to be honest. This is the first moment I'm looking at gold right now, so I think I'm going to leave gold as it is. I don't see the reason to risk more than I have to, even though I'm just building up some evals today. I think I'm just going to focus on NQ. So more bearish than bullish. Not much to say about this. I would be extremely surprised if the market would start to skyrocket 200 points up there to target that 600-ish level. If it does, the plan is super simple. I'm just going to jump into a long position on a pullback to a fair value gap. That's what I'm going to do. Otherwise, maybe I'm going to try to scalp this gap down here. So we'll see. We're going to be reactive again. That's all.
Trading what we see versus marrying a bias.
Yeah, something like that.
That's good. Oh, go ahead.
Quick news about the 50K Pro account. If you do purchase that with the discount code YouTube, make sure you deselect the 1-day pass, because for some people, if it's selected, you won't see the Black Friday 50% off special. So just a heads up. Yes, deselect the 1-day pass if you want to purchase the 50K Pro.
Yeah, also with that, if you deselect it, if you don't select the 1-day pass, like the normal, if you buy it normal, like how the discount is, you actually get a lower profit target too, I believe. Is that correct? Because the 1-day pass thinks a higher profit target of 4,000. I think I'm right. I think I'm right.
I think you're right. I think you're right.
I just go to sleep at night and I think about prop firm. They just pop up in my head. So I think I'm right.
I knew it.
Can confirm.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Ethan. Thank you, Ethan.
So that's that.
Chat. I'm curious. Are you guys going to trade today? If you are you looking for longs? Type in 1, type in 2 if you're looking for shorts, or type in 3. Heck no, you cannot make me trade because it is a Friday and it's the day after Thanksgiving. And the market was broken.
I think it's a great day to practice not trading. Like if you struggle with over trading, I think today's a good day of practice. Like logging into everything. Yeah. Looking at the charts and not pressing the button. I think today's a good day to do that.
And, even if you're not pressing the button, you can still do some, tape reading, like reading the charts, building up the narrative. It's always a good time to study of what's happening. Or if you really want to push the button, I think, you can do it on an evaluation account, grab a few pro accounts there and you know what to do. That's it.
Yeah. And maybe it's a great day to reflect on the things that we want to work on and the skills that we really need to focus on in order for next week to be a better week.
Yes, 100%, 100%. So I usually do more reflecting on Fridays and Saturdays, like look back to the week, like what really happened, because you have more time, you feel a little bit more relaxed. Honestly, so I'm being asked like, hey, Tom, are you doing the journaling every single day after you finish? No, I'm not doing it every single day, but I would say like a couple of times a week. Like it's not like journaling like I'm writing down a small novel to my notebook or something, but I'm definitely answering some questions and I'm saving some screenshots from the charts, and that's what I do. But not like every single day. I'm curious, by the way, do you guys, Nick or Terry, do you guys try to save or journal all your trades, or are you doing it? There are some services out there. I'm not going to say names, but there are some third-party services who are you able to save it down your data and analyze it. Do you used to do that, or you have something different that you're doing, or you're journaling at all, or what do you do? What do you do?
I go
Yeah,
bananas.
I use a third party service as well. So, but yeah, I mean, you can literally do it. Like before I bought the service, like you could do it on Discord, you could do Notion, you could do, just take a picture, like do your analysis and, do your trades for the day. And then it makes it easier to answer these questions. Name 3 things I did wrong, 3 things I did right, or like where you can improve. So it makes it very easy, to like look at your analysis and your trades after. It's like, okay, well, I was looking at these relative equal highs. Yeah, I took a short. So you can kind of see it makes it easier. So that's why I always post my analysis. Like I'll post it on Discord, post it on Twitter, post it on YouTube, and I share it with you guys. But it's mainly just for me too.
Awesome. Okay. Yeah, I was just curious. Okay.
Yes, Tom, I need to journal more. I feel like it's so interesting how there are parallels in trading and in life, because I'm trying to lose a few pounds, and I know what helps a lot of people to lose a few pounds is by tracking your calories and like what you eat. And I feel like trading is similar. If you struggle with over trading, it's like, okay, when I journal, I do actually trade better because I trade less.
Dear diary, today Terry told me to lose a few pounds. We need. Okay, I will finish this thought later. Okay.
How dare she the day after
No.
Thanksgiving? How dare she?
No.
Guys, by the way, this is what I use for journaling. Super simple, as you can see. This is how simple it is. Just a simple notebook and a pen. I'm a dinosaur.
I love
That's how it.
I love ICTs.
I know it's in your notebook. I know. Just trolling.
Dear diary. I like that you make it really simple, Tom. Just like and you're not journaling everything, but like you still journal.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, not everything. I'm. If there's like a day, like it's pretty much a neutral day, like not good. I mean, not like a break-even day, but maybe I take a small trade, but nothing special. I don't really journal anything because the market was just going sideways. So when the market is not doing anything, it's super choppy, no real levels. Then I'm not always journaling that. But if there's a very clean trend, and there's some beautiful setups, I tend to write down some positive notes. And even if there's something bad happening, for example, which has never happened before, but if I blew up a funded account, or something like that, I don't know. But if something bad is happening, I also journal that down. Like, okay, today this happened. I need to understand how it happened. So let's go back, and so I write down some bullet points basically into my journal, and I try to save that screenshot of that session or of that particular trade. And later, I'm trying to understand, okay, what went wrong here? But the answer is always the same. And I think we're going to talk a little bit more about this with Terry today. It's always going back to psychology. Always, it's not the market. It's not the setup. It's not your trading model, guys. There's so many ways to do this. We talked about it. Oh my gosh. Are we? Okay. I thought that there's a market open because the candles are wiggling a little bit. So there's so many ways, and it always comes down to psychology. Always. Okay.
I'm actually surprised we got a good bit of people watching today, considering markets, it's open, but
I mean, of course, that's their duty. So your daily routine, everybody, even on your Christmas Eve, Christmas holiday, I don't care if you're with friends and family, your number one priority is to be here at MyFunded TV. Send a link to everybody. And if you haven't said it already, please press that like button. I mean, I don't care if you have to buy a new mouse. This is your problem. But now you have to push that button. All right? Please. All right.
Let's go. Yeah, it does help the algorithm. Like with YouTube, it helps tell the algorithm to send out our channel as we continue to grow it.
Yeah.
Yes,
exactly.
Ethan says triple smash that like button. Let's
triple
go.
smash. Oh, and by the way, it seems like we did sweep that those levels below 352. It was 362.75, I think, on the mini. We went down and swept the liquidity void on the micro as well. So who knows? You know what? There was this opening candle on the 1 minute. The high was at 420-ish. Maybe now we're going to go back up there and sweep the high of that candle. So completely possible anyway, but we did that, it seems like, before the market opened, so it's gonna be interesting.
It will be interesting. I see the bid and ask are pretty big spread still.
Yeah,
Sometimes it's like over 2 points, so keep an eye on that if you love to do market orders, which I love to do market orders. So hopefully
the CME servers
I like doing
won't
limit
shut.
orders. Well, what do y'all do the most? I like doing limit orders. Like my, I recorded my trade from Wednesday. Like it's just so satisfying. Like setting a limit order, watch price come down that level, tag it, and then either go higher or just get stopped out. You know, I find limit orders kind of satisfying.
I think so too. Limit orders are more satisfying because I usually get a much better entry, better risk to reward management, better risk to reward, better risk management. So everything is calculated much more precisely than just, hopping into the market order. So yeah. And, just like Terry said, better watch out for these spreads. I've been told by a few people in London stream that just before the servers were shutting down, everybody was. I did a London stream, but usually we were just, talking about things and setups and stuff like that. So this was a short stream. People told me that just before the server shut down, there were noticeable, extremely big spreads, like 5-10 points on NQ and everywhere. So if you guys see something like that, better be careful. Who knows?
Yeah, no, 100%. It's crazy. Yeah, I didn't know you streamed this morning with everything. Like market was closed at 9 p.m. last night. You know what I mean?
I wasn't sure what to do, to be honest, because I was like, okay, let's see what happens. And there was some minor things I also wanted to share with my community. So I was like, okay, well, worst case scenario, because it's part of my daily routine, I'm just going to do like a 40-minute stream or something. So we talked a little bit, and then I said, okay, it's just not worth it. So that was it.
Yeah, no, so good stuff. Always coming through, even when the market's closed.
Of course. Listen, I can talk about how the market's going to go even on a weekend, but
ooh, I see MyFundedFutures is saying let's pick another 150K pro account winner.
No way! Shut the front door. That is awesome.
That
is awesome.
I thought you were going to say something else about that, Tom.
No,
I've heard you say it before, but I thought you were going to drop it.
No,
let's do it. Go ahead, Tom.
No. Well, you guys are picking the winners again. Terry was doing a great job, by the way, last time. Yeah.
Let's go. Abhishek is picking today, so everyone be super sweet.
Okay.
Abhishek in chat.
Oh yeah, it's better.
Yeah, it's better. Thank you, Abhishek.
I think I have some more questions first, anyways. I kind of stole all Tom's last time. All right, market open here in 5 seconds.
Oh yeah, here we
buy,
go.
Buy, sell. Here we go.
Here we go.
I'm actually very curious to see what
happens. I don't know.
I think it's gonna be like a crazy move. Not crazy. I think majority of the moves will be made in the first 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then after that, it's just gonna chop.
If the market wants to get settled with this whole data outage and everything, we could be seeing some down close candles below 340 and lower. That would mean that this small little gap here would be absolutely annihilated and not be respected anymore. So as far as we just see these wicks, and I'm on the 1 minute right now, but as far as we're just having some wicks down here, that could be a potential draw on liquidity, even if it spikes higher. But again, I'm gonna keep my attention on this first 1 minute candle high, which is on the micro. Oops, wrong area. On the micro, it's at 420. I don't know where is it on the mini. Okay, that has been taken out on the mini, right? Yeah, it was. Okay, so that was taken out on the mini. I don't know. Could be some orders there. I don't know. We'll see.
That's very interesting. On my chart, the high I have on NQ is 399, but on MNQ it says 420.
Yes. So that's why I'm kind of curious. It took out that first initial spike on the mini. The micro still has it. I'm not saying that this is like a concept or anything, but I used to see this quite a few times. Swept some orders here. Why not just squeeze the market a little bit higher? But as I said, I don't have any zones or targets to go for. But I can scalp a little bit on some evals. Who knows?
Yes, it is kind of just not doing too much so far.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It's wanting to push higher here. Are you going to trade micros or minis? Micros, right? Oh, it's pushing higher.
You know what? I don't know. I think I'm just, I'm jumping in with 2 micros to a long position. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, here it is. 2 micro is not a big deal. And this is basically building my valuation account. So, it's for Friday. Hashtag
like
Friday.
it.
My gold's kind of moving now too.
Gold. What's happening now? Oh, yeah, look at that. Gold is moving. Okay. All right.
Yeah, I think. Well, you say you're in short, Tom, or long?
I'm in a long position. Yeah, 376.
I like longs. I mean, I would definitely watch or set an alert at ES previous day high. So when that gets taken, it just kind of have in the back of your mind that price could just reverse from there, or just kind of that could be the target it's reaching for the day, because NQ already hit the previous day high, ES is not. So that was something I was talking about this morning. Is that I think low hanging fruit target or just something you wanted to watch for like session target for today is that previous day high. I didn't really have one for gold other than the one up here, but we'll see what happens on gold.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so this is not Wyatt. This is not a coin flip trade. Obviously, the 2 things actually I want to say. So one thing, I'm always much more aggressive on my valuation accounts. That's one thing. The second thing, not really a coin flip, but it's based on intuition. So this trade is only based on my intuition. I don't have a valid zone here. I don't have an entry model here. My intuition tells me that first candle, that first wick could be swept real soon on the micro. So there's some unfinished business up there, if I should say so. So we'll see. That's all. But I'm always more aggressive on my valuation accounts. Not that I'm saying it's the right way to do. It works for me because I have quote unquote a little bit more experience. If you're new, obviously don't do this. And obviously never copy trade anyone, but this is based on intuition.
It's going. Your intuition is spot on. It's going.
What if it goes to my stop loss? What is going to happen with my intuition then? I don't know.
Well, it's just another trade.
It's just another trade.
Whether it wins or loses, it's just another trade. We take thousands of trades, right?
Oh, yeah.
Like it's just one tree amongst the forest. So to not focus on just one. Yeah.
Exactly. Just one. And so this is the cost of business.
Yeah. It's literally like just another day at the office.
Oh, yeah. I like it. Yeah.
All our trades need to feel that way.
Exactly. Terry, are you planning to jump into anything here?
I was tempted to hop into that long with you, but I'm going to wait I'm going to let you take all the glory, and then
Huh.
Okay, so yeah, just say it out loud. You want to fade me on this one. It's okay. It's no problem.
I don't. No, I don't.
Just joking.
I'll tell you why I like the long. I like the long because we are trading above yesterday's high, and market loves to go above highs and break out at least a little bit, right?
Mhm,
And I also like it because it's a holiday and we don't have any bad news. So, oh, look, it's going. Let's go.
Fingers crossed. I'm gonna hold my breath.
Go.
Okay. Actually, I'm losing oxygen by speaking, so let's hope.
Tom, what's your TP? Are you going to set a set TP, or are you just going to scalp out if you see the market changing?
Yeah, my TP is at 417.25. But yeah, if I see something dirty happening here, I'm just gonna close it manually with a small loss if I have to, and that's fine. So
Yes.
Speaking of holding in TPs, did anyone have a position on last night, and like what happened to it?
oh yeah, I'm curious. Yeah. Anyone has that
I did
issue?
not. No, I was
If you are long,
sleeping.
you should be slightly in profit.
Yeah.
Market's open since that volume imbalance, but yeah, I'm curious to see how firms treat that too.
Yeah. Oh, look,
Yeah.
it's going. Go, go, go.
My gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Nick, are you in a trade?
Absolutely not. No, I'm just cheering you guys on.
I know. I feel like Nick is the one, he lets everybody to fail on the battlegrounds, and then when everybody failed, Nick steps in the picture. No, I know. But I feel like he hit the TP. Nice. So
let's go.
Awesome. No, but
W for Tom.
Thank you guys. Thank you. I feel like Nick is definitely having a lot of discipline. Like what you said earlier, you had like 2 winners for the week or 3. I don't even remember.
Yeah, let me check my Discord real quick.
So 2 winners and what, like 8 losses or something? I'm just joking. So 2 winners, right? That's fine. That is amazing.
The 25th I went long, and I went long Wednesday, and when's the 25th? Is that Monday? No, that's Tuesday, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So Tuesday and Wednesday, I had 2 trades. Those are it for the week. Monday, I didn't see anything, and then obviously yesterday was bank holiday, and then today is bank holiday too. So, I just don't. If I don't see my setup, I'm not going to take it. So,
that's awesome.
It's good. I do. This is why I probably couldn't stream on like YouTube all the time, because like people would just not watch me. They'd be like, okay, he hasn't said a word in like 30 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever. It's good having you guys out here so we can like conversate. You guys talk about y'all's trades and stuff like that. So I mean that's one good thing I like about it, and see why y'all took trades and whatever. And then when I get in my trades, I'll talk about them. But I think it's all based off your personality, right? I just don't. I don't want to trade, take a million trades in a day, because I just know it takes a lot in order for me to take a trade, like a lot of mental capital to take one, and holding it and this and that. So I just want to limit myself, right?
Yeah. And that's amazing. And by the way, I forgot. I know you said it before, Nick, but I forgot how many trades on average you take on a week. I know we talked about this. 2-4. Okay. All right. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, it's good to know.
Ooh, I wonder if today will be a good day for range traders. Like a Friday, a day after
I think so.
Thanksgiving,
I think
maybe.
The ES takes the high, it take previous day high, but it looks like it took that. Well, I don't know. Maybe someone wants to check on. Well, I can check real quick. Okay, so it didn't take those highs yet, but I think so, Terry. Yes, I did.
Yeah, I am not a good range trader, but every time I see like rangy type of days or in consolidation, like during the afternoon, I always kind of wish I was a good range trader. Because I think you can get in at really good prices if you're a good range trader, right? Like you're selling the high, putting your stop loss right above the range, so it's a cheap trade. And then your target is always bigger. And then like right now, I'm looking at this like, ooh, like could this be a nice range trade? Like off the highs, trading into yesterday's range, possibly. I'm like so tempted to try, but like typically I'm not a good range trader. But I'm looking at this and it looks kind of juicy. I mean,
Oh wow!
doesn't it look juicy, Tom?
Oh
Looks
yeah,
so
and
juicy.
so far it seems like, and I don't want to quote myself, but it seems like it's doing the narrative that we talked about. Like it went up there, finished the business about 420, and now it's doing the down close candle situation. So if we're gonna close below this 340 and lower, then we can go even lower. So why not go down to the 300 from here on out? But yeah, it's gonna be
Yeah,
interesting.
we might get a full gap fill from New York's closing price. On my chart, it's showing about 40 points to the close, New York close. It is possible, but I can't believe it. We've already moved from a high of 421 down to 344 within not even 10 minutes. So be careful out there.
Oh yeah, definitely. Got to be careful. And you were talking about range trading. I'm just actually curious. Is there a good strategy? I'm genuinely curious because I never really wanted to trade ranges, but is there a strategy to go with it? Like any information? You guys in the chat can also say something about it. I'm genuinely curious if is there any good approach to trade these ranges?
Yeah.
Even with indicators or whatever. I don't know.
I can show you, not, like I said, I'm not personally a good range trader because emotionally I just get so nervous.
Yeah.
For whatever reason, when I'm trying to range trade, I get so nervous, which is silly.
She goes that, oh, she does that.
Nick,
Oh my
Nick
God,
does
it
sounds.
So
Exactly. So I will show you. This was a perfect setup for range traders. This is yesterday. So
Okay.
when the thing about range trading is you don't know a range is going to develop until it starts to develop, right?
Okay,
So
right.
so initially during stream, so this is New York time. And as we're going up here, so right now, see, don't be tricked, you guys, by Furus, because Furus will look back and they're like, oh, it's so easy. It's not so easy, because when it's happening, it looks like this, right? So it looks like it's a trend day. And then we keep going, we keep going, we keep going. It's going higher. And now it's pulling back. Is this just a pullback to go higher? Or is it going to be a range? We don't know at the time. So like range traders, typically they'll wait until they see like a test. So like here. And then once they see this, then they'll put like a limit sell order above the market. And then they'll put their stop right above the range. And that way it's a cheap trade because what you're targeting is the bottom of the range. And so it was a perfect day for range traders, as you can see, how it unfolded. Yeah.
Wow.
I just get nervous. I don't know. It's not my jam. I feel like it's more, some people, if you're good at it, it's like can really print money for you.
Yeah, but I guess you also need to take more trades. Like it's about taking more trades. Like maybe, I don't know, like 2 or 3 trades in any given session at least, depending on what's the range or what time frame are you trading on. I guess.
Yeah. Nick,
Yeah.
have you ever tried range trading?
No, I don't really like it, but I can actually spot them pretty well before they occur. Remember this gold range that I said was going to probably happen?
Yeah.
I don't know, switch over my chart here onto the like when price came into this area on the daily, I was like, hey, just watch and see if it continues to go above like old highs and lows. If it makes new highs, then you should be good. But it's trading between two bearish, a bearish point of interest and a bullish one. So price come up into it. I was like, hey, we're probably gonna range bound here if we don't get above it pretty quickly. So I think whatever areas you have marked off for bearish or bullish, you want to see price go through them quickly. And if they don't do that, that's usually the start of a range. And then from there, you can kind of, you know, start trading it. You don't really have to wait for a range to form because, you know, this move up was like the buy side of the curve, right? And then once you see, you know, it's not continuing higher, you can trade back lower, completing the sell side of the curve. And then inside there, that is where the range is at. But I would just mark off hold highs and lows and wait and see if price displaces through them or not. If it doesn't, then, you know, you can, like it wicks higher and then closes lower, then, you know, you should be good. But it all starts with the draw and like targets, right? So if I was taking this range trade here, and, you know, I saw price displacing lower, I'm going to target this low down here, relative equal lows, and then down here as well. But I will say in range trading, you have to be pretty conservative with your targets. You got to get in and out pretty quickly because you're not trading the trend. So the trends, you know, you can kind of ride it, move TP, move stop up, stuff like that. You got to be in and out with range, with the range trade. That's one thing I don't like about it. Is that I usually kind of get stopped out. But
We have Luke in the house.
My gosh,
Hey,
Luke is here.
Luke looks good, man.
Happy Friday. Yeah, you know.
What's
I
with the
don't have
hair?
to, like, wear work clothes or work hair, you know. I got like
Hey, what's up, Luke?
Right,
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you guys too.
Good to see
That's
you.
why I'm here.
Everybody is super excited about this this Pro Black Friday sale. This is just amazing. So I don't know. Can you top this one a little bit? Or
Yes.
something? Let's go.
Wait, are you saying can I talk about it or can I top it? Because I can do both. Just
Both.
what you
We want
prefer.
both. Talk about it and do it. You know.
All right. Okay, I got that. So our most flexible plan, I think probably the most flexible plan that's out there, Pro. There's a 100K request cap, no daily loss limit, no consistency rule in the sim funded stage. Eval is 2 days to pass. This is the plan that's built for traders who are ready to level up and want that flexibility and are ready to get rocking and rolling, which I know a lot of our folks out here are certainly ready to do. It normally costs $227, which is not cheap, obviously. One of the more expensive plans in the market because you get this massive payout request cap and all that sort of thing. Black Friday, 2-day only. We're running 50% off of that plan, max 3 uses. So if you don't use the coupon 3 times, you are SOL. It's gone forever. Code YouTube. If Magnus could drop a link in the chat, and again, code YouTube. It's as simple as that.
Yes,
Yeah, go on.
and I did see that you get a chance to win a free reset. Is that right?
Oh, I even forgot. Okay. Yes. So not only do you get half off the plan, but 1 in 10 people are getting a free reset, which will get emailed in a couple days. 12/3.
1 in
Let's go.
10. 1 in 10.
That's not bad. And if you're buying 3
That's really
plans,
good.
now you're at 3 of 10. That's a
Oh,
decent
yeah.
shot.
Nice.
The 50% should be enough for you, but if it's not, there you go.
And
I
guys in
love
chat,
it.
don't forget it's only until 3 a.m. Saturday, so it's practically a flash sale. So don't hesitate. 3 a.m. Saturday, that's the end. So you gotta go act fast.
Do you guys love this deal? Type in 1 if you love this deal. I love it. I snatched up a 150K loop. I have been calling them the Big Daddy accounts, and I want 3 of them. I only have 1 right now, but I want 3.
All right.
Yeah, these are amazing.
And I hate coming on the stream and not having prizes for you all. Can we do a prize too? A
Yes.
Black Friday prize?
I'm down.
Definitely,
it.
man.
My dogs are so excited they just won't stop barking in this Airbnb. It's like they see ghosts and stuff. So they're like they're just excited. So yeah, drop something.
Oh
All
yeah.
right. What do we want, chat? This is like a Black Friday fun day. It's not a Luke day.
Almost
so
pre-Christmas, everybody. So ask for something nice.
Yeah. What do we want? I'm open.
But guys,
Open-minded guy.
when Luke says he's open for suggestions, I suggest go with some good suggestions, everyone in the chat, because now Luke can make some magic happen here.
I'm seeing core, scale, $1 core. Pro account.
$1 core. Okay. Well, accounts. Everybody wants accounts.
All right. How about 20 people get $1 core accounts?
No.
Love it.
Is that too few? 25?
Yeah, well, we got a lot of people in the chat here for Friday.
Look, you gotta go. You gotta go above 30
Go big.
or
Go
50.
big.
50. I think 10% of the chat.
10%.
Can you go 50?
Yeah.
All right, so we're doing 10% off. Is that what we want?
No.
10%
off?
10% off.
Accounts.
Of Pro. That brings it from 227 to 207. 10%
I
off.
said 10% of the chat. That's 50
Nick,
people.
why are you talking? Come on, man. We want more discounts.
I love the idea of 10% of the chat because that means your chances are 1 in 10, right? Is
Yeah.
that right? Am I mathing right?
Good. Wow. Good math.
1
I'm
in
lost.
10. A chance to win a free account today, or not free. $1. $1.
50 accounts, Luke. 50 accounts. That's what I'm saying. 50
Let's
accounts.
do 50.
$1.
$1.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Fabio is going to lose his mind. Do you guys know who Fabio is in the chat? Can I get some live?
Well, the
feedback?
good news is, I mean, for us,
news
is that
is
you
I
have to
need to
talk
know.
to.
If
You
y'all know
have to talk
Fabio,
to.
it could be a problem.
Obviously.
Okay, so you have to talk with Fabio, and we can deal with the chat. So this is super simple. Oh, okay, everybody.
Fabio,
hold your breath.
everyone type in W to show some love to Fabio.
Send some
and
love to
Luke.
Fabio, everyone, please.
No, do not contact him. The opposite.
Yeah, no.
This is a secret deal. This is
Gosh.
Nick Does Futures deal. Do not contact Fabio.
Oh no,
Okay.
I feel conflicted, Luke.
Okay.
Honestly, just blame me. It's fair. I'll take it.
Okay,
All right,
okay.
how are we
We-
picking the
Blame it.
winners?
Well, that's
Yes,
I think
Terry's
that we need to
department.
drop a form in the chat,
Yeah.
and then we'll notify. I think that's the best that we can do. I don't want to do a code pop up on the screen now because it's going to take me a minute to make the code. I don't have one made. But what about a form?
Yes.
Form is good. That's awesome.
I think people would love the form because
People talk
then,
to you all day, every day. I think they trust you, Terry. At this point, if they don't trust you, they should unsubscribe from the channel and leave. We
Yes.
will give away the accounts. I promise you. We've given away thousands at this point.
Oh,
I know
thousands.
someone
of
does.
There's a
thousands.
reason I'm not
Okay.
on the screen
If not
anymore. You all get me too
hundreds of
excited,
thousands.
and then I give away too much stuff, and they say, Luke, come on, bud, just hop off. But today's Black Friday. Nobody else is here.
There you
Yeah,
go.
and it's Thanksgiving week, Luke. So
Oh,
it's
yeah.
like a way for us to say thank you so much to all our
That we're
viewers,
thankful.
subscribers. Yes, you guys
And by
all
the way,
make
Luke,
this happen.
we also want to say thank you for you and Fabio and everybody to giving all this free stuff to the viewers, because this is amazing. Nobody does it. Nobody.
Yeah, I'd like to thank myself. For
Okay,
myself
we
and
thank
Joel.
Nick. Okay.
Fabio's gonna hit me and I'd be like, dude, with like 3 periods after.
My God.
Nick is going to take the blame today. You guys.
I'll take the blame. I'm
All
cool
right.
with taking the
No,
blame.
I
And
can
y'all
take some
wanna know
heat
the
too.
real reason why I joined, actually?
The
We
show
don't
is my
know.
new hairdo.
Yeah,
Like,
we definitely like
Dude,
the
look at
hair.
this. I got
by the way.
flow is flowing. I mean, come on.
Kind of like it's cool. Like you're
he's,
from
he's
the.
aura farming, bro.
I'm
Like,
aura
yeah.
farming. Wait, hold on. We keep aura farming. Look at this.
Oh wow!
This is the pit right
Look at that.
Ooh,
No way.
style.
Is he going John Wick
Oh,
style?
yeah.
Almost. Oh no,
Oh,
he's from
yeah.
the 80s.
We got the
Okay.
leather
Yeah, he's like
jacket,
from the
we got
Greasers.
flow going.
From the Greasers.
Oh,
You
it's
know,
like
with Tom
Fonzie. Fonzie.
Yeah.
Is it Fonzie from
I'm
Happy
gonna
Days?
just take up smoking cigarettes.
That is super cool. Okay, yeah. Almost like risky business there.
All right. The real reason I joined is I just wanted to say I'm thankful for Terry. Terry, I think, brings an amazing energy to the world and inspires me. Yesterday on Thanksgiving, she sent me the most amazing Thanksgiving text about how she just loves being a part of our team and working with everyone and the coworker she has. And it's like, that inspires me to want to go out into the world and bring some good and some energy and some fun. So I just wanted to say thank you, Terry, and pass along your message. With that, I'm going to let you all get back to trading. This was my nice little disruption. Link for the giveaway will be in the chat.
Thank you, Luke.
Thank you, Luke. Thank you so
All right.
much.
Bye, guys.
You're so amazing. Bye.
He said back to trading. I'm like, bro, this is kind of peak of the stream here, you know?
Let's go. Oh my gosh. Luke is so fantastic. We absolutely love Luke. Everyone, W's for Luke bringing us presents. So 50 people will receive a core account all for just $1, courtesy of Luke.
I also must add, everybody, that we definitely love Terry, because Terry is also there on our Discord, cheers me up with messages and always being super positive. So yeah, Terry is absolutely one of a kind, super positive person. So thank you Terry, for being here with us, and I'm grateful for being a co-host with you there. Here. So thank you again.
Oh, thank you, you guys. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Nick. TNT. Let's go.
The TNT team, yes.
Yeah, TNT. Yeah. She actually made me a little video and sent it to me on my birthday. I thought that was kind of great. It was. Terry's awesome. That's all I can really say on that one. All I really need to say.
Yeah, Terry for president.
Thank you, you guys. Oh, you're going to make me blush. Okay, back to the chart.
Well, the good news is, Terry, the NQ is not really doing too much, so that makes it easier for us. We're back to ground zero in the middle here, so not much is moving.
Yeah, not much is moving at all. It is barcoding.
Oh, yeah. It's official barcoding chart right now, especially on the 5-minute. Oh yeah, it's honestly, it looks terrible. So it's just definitely not something we want to participate in. And yeah, gold also terrible. I'm checking gold. It basically is getting unplugged. But yeah, as for NQ, until we're in here in this, right, I would say, yeah, right in the middle of this range, I don't think I want to engage even into a scalp position. We need to wait until the market gets out on the top or at the bottom here. So that level would be like 331 down there, and that 421 or 22, and that's it.
All right. Nice trade, Tom, this morning on that long.
It was only based on intuition, so it was not the proper, it was an educated guess, as Mark Douglas used to say it in his books and workshops. So it was an educated guess, but mostly based on intuition. Mm-hmm. But again, it's not something that you should do if you are new in trading. But anyway,
it's years of experience of you observing markets,
and lots of tears and sweat. And yeah, that's how it goes. So, Nick, what do you think? What's going to happen here?
Well, I think, if you guys don't see me on Monday, it's because Fabio just, flipped me to the side after, getting.
Is this thing going to be real serious between you and Fabio? Are you taking so much heat? No.
No.
Okay. I actually.
Okay. Fabio is super nice, super cool. So we love him.
Yeah, no, we do some exclusive prop firms for people in the Discord too. So I hit him up every week, just let him know those winners. So, but he's gonna be giving out a lot more accounts than just those couple that he does for my Discord and stuff. So, Nick and Fabio 1v1 NQ chart. Let's run it. I win, I get to give away unlimited accounts or something like that. If he wins, then I don't know. I was thinking something. Maybe I just gotta sit in. I saw something. Maybe. If I lose, I have to spend 24 hours in a Waffle House. But each waffle I eat, I can reduce. I can take 1 hour off. You see what I mean?
Oof. Okay. I know.
So if I eat 12, I'd still have to eat 12 waffles, and I'd be in there for 12 hours.
But you can do it. That's easy.
Miserable.
That's easy.
Man.
It sounds like a treat. Is this a punishment?
That's not a problem. That's a treat. I let me know. I'll be there. No problem.
Yeah, maybe get you for the celeb shot.
Yeah, I can help you out.
But yeah, here let me just. Looks like gold was moving. Let me kind of cover.
Oh, it's moving. Okay, finally something.
Yeah, so that's 10 a.m. close right there. It looks like gold did have a push up at 9 a.m. That's very nice. I'm just going to use the daily close on this to target this buy side here on Monday at 42.89 for, a target for next week. I really like how we're pushing up from there. Like I said, I can't take advantage of it today, nor do I want to, but I can use that for next week. For indices here, I mean, you could scan this. I wonder if we could if you take a picture of this. I heard from Birdie that you could take a picture of this and scan this at MyFundedFutures, gets you 100% off all accounts. So if you take a picture of this chart, you can scan it. It's a barcode, so you can do that. But seriously, I don't see much here. We didn't even get the run to previous day high. Tom was able to take advantage of something though. But I'm just going to be using today's daily close for info starting next week. Let me just go over we do have news every single day next week except on Tuesday. So we have Red Folder at 10 a.m. on Monday. So that'll be very, very nice to see on there. But that's going to do it for me. I'm going to just get off the charts, and I think my wife's bugging me to go Black Friday shopping. So
nice.
And not So yeah.
Have a great
Christmas.
time.
Yeah. I'll see you guys back here on Monday. And good
Monday.
luck to everyone getting those. Hopefully, you guys, majority of you guys, get those accounts. And if you don't, 50% off pro accounts. Those are the best. So go to YouTube.
Let's go.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Nick.
Nick.
Have a good one. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too. You guys take it easy.
Cheers. Okay, Nick is going to take the heat, so it's all right. Everything is fine.
It's all right. Nick is great. Yes,
Nick is
so
awesome.
a form will drop in chat. And then everyone make sure you get your name on that form when it does drop for a chance to win a core account for only $1.
Oh, yeah.
So there will be
That is
50
nothing.
winners. Hey, Luke is back.
Look at that. Okay. Maybe we said something wrong. I don't know. It's up to you, Terry. Come on.
Yeah.
Hey, Luke. What's up?
No, I mean, I just saw that we said Nick would take the heat. I think we have to
just
take
joking.
it collectively, including the audience out there.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Let's
Y'all are accomplices in this. If it
yes,
weren't
we
for
are.
you guys,
I'm sweating.
type in one if we will all take the heat together so that 50 people can win a core account for $1.
I take
typing
the
in
Fall
one.
Guys, so no problem. No problem.
Let's go. Parmeet says yes. Kenneth says yes. Everyone says yes, Luke.
Oh, yeah. A lot of yeses here. So we can take it, right? Of course.
We can take it. We can
All right.
take the heat.
I'm scared, Terry. Anyway.
We'll hold hands. It's okay.
Hey, as long as the chat keeps complimenting my hair and my cool leather jacket, we can add a few accounts. Okay.
How cool is that? Luke, are you participating in some Hollywood movie or something, or what's going on
This
there?
is my Hollywood movie. This is center stage right here.
All right.
Did
Chat,
y'all
say
talk
some
about that
nice things.
CME outage, by the way? That was crazy.
Oh,
Oh,
my
yeah.
gosh. Have you ever seen this happen before?
No, I don't think so.
And it was for quite a while. I thought it would just be like a few hours. It was for quite a while. Oh, I'm seeing lots of hearts for you, Luke.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
I think it's just
60
for like
accounts.
14.
60 accounts.
60?
Okay, we like the 60. Luke, listen, Luke. If you're saying why not just 70? Why just 60? I don't know. I don't know why. What?
70?
You say, hold on, why not? I'm just saying numbers. You say a number, I say a number. Terry's just,
I'm seeing 100. People are asking.
Terry's
for
holding her
100.
breath. No, I just said 70. So I don't know.
So I guess again, the last thing is this is why I'm coming back for the real reason is to double down on this pro deal. It helps us out a lot. And when I say us, it means all of us who are streaming with you all day, every day. We put a lot of energy into this. If you use code YouTube with what we think is probably our best deal of the year, it's 50% off the pro account. So $113 for our most flexible account. No consistency, no DLL, 100K payout request cap. I mean, it's huge. $113. No activation fee. That is the all-in cost. You've got 3 uses. You have today. You don't have a ton of time. And so go ahead and get after it.
Let's
yeah.
go. Code
Clock is
YouTube.
ticking,
How many
everyone.
can we drum up today? Do you want me to check, Terry,
Yeah.
trades?
Yes, please do, Luke.
Oh,
What do
yeah.
you think, Tom? Should we check how many we have so far?
Yeah, let's check it. Yeah. We don't know.
How
We
many
want to
people are
know.
watching?
537.
Awesome.
So we
And
should
you know,
have at
guys,
least 700. Oh my
We-
God, it's horrible.
we need 700
Am I out of
and
my mind? Only 68 people have used code YouTube for 50% off Pro today.
What?
guys, we need more.
Unbelievable.
We need more.
We need more. These are rookie numbers, guys. We need more. And of course, we need to pop the likes to at least 300, guys. Super easy. You know, we are having 536 viewers and 231 likes. What the heck is going on? If you guys want to have something special here, Luke is here, guys. You got to act fast. If you can make it to 300, who knows? Maybe a miracle will happen. Well, nobody knows. But please push that like button now. We need that 300 likes. And please
Yes.
use the code YouTube.
I'm seeing it's going up. We're at 274.
Okay.
Almost to 300.
Guys, we need to get that 300 likes. That's
We
the
need
bare
that.
minimum. That's the entry level, the 300 likes. Oh, okay, I'm seeing, 291. Let's go above 300, guys.
Oh,
Okay.
S-Car says, where is the love button?
The love button.
S-Car
Okay.
wants a love button.
We're gonna ask
My
YouTube
favorite
for that.
comment is somebody said, let's see, Wyatt said, Luke's like, I need my job. This is true. Okay. I'm out here
This is true.
hustling. We're a farming, I'm pitching deals.
I mean,
This is true.
The CME outage did not help me. We still
Well-
have fun regardless.
well, it definitely was unexpected.
Yeah, it was. Yes, every time you guys use code YouTube, it does help to support the channel. It helps us grow. It helps us add more traders. It helps bring guest traders. It helps us develop more fun and interesting content as we continue to grow the community.
And you know, the pro account is definitely it's super transparent and absolutely clean. So clear buffer targets, clear payout caps, basically 100K. This is amazing. That's a lot of money, guys, to go for. No hidden fees, no potential earnings cap by any hidden rule or anything. You make your profits, and rest assured, MyFundedFutures is going to pay you out. That's 100%. I told this to you guys many times. Amongst many things, the best thing I like at MyFundedFutures is that once you reach your profit target, you don't ever have to be afraid that if you're going to get paid out or not. MyFundedFutures is going to pay you out no matter what. That's the best thing. So you just
Yes.
have to focus on trading. That's it.
Yeah, trading's hard enough.
Yeah.
You don't also want to worry about if you're going to get paid or not. And with MyFundedFutures, it's 100% confident. Like, you feel completely safe. You know you're going to get paid, and it's instant payouts too. Like the automatic payouts, it's so fast that the money is taken out of your account. Like the last payout, it was under 22 seconds that we did live. Tom?
Oh yeah, maybe even
We
less.
call it instant. It's not
Instant.
truly instant,
That's
but it's
instant.
definitely under a minute. Yeah, it's instant.
Yeah, it's incredible.
instant. That's really amazing. So
All right. And I've got, I think, the hottest trade of the day.
Do
One
tell.
that might double my account. If we get to 1,000 concurrent viewers, I'll come back and share it.
okay.
Ooh.
Let's go, everyone. Share the link for MyFunded TV ASAP. Everybody
Super
has
serious offer.
okay.
A serious offer?
Yeah,
Presents?
that's my
Is
super
this-
serious.
Is this presents like a prize, Luke? Because I'm taking out my phone to share.
I'm taking out
link.
my credit card. What is?
Hey, also, how about that? I love sending Christmas gifts. Terry
Okay.
and Tom, I would love for you to get me a list of the users who are here every day, and we'll send them a physical package with
Oh.
MyFundedFutures shirts, hats.
I love to do that. Luke, count
I
me.
love
Not
that.
like you come in once a week, like the folks who are here every day.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, Terry,
love
this is
that.
going to be a great job. We're gonna do everything we can. Oh my gosh,
And if
I already
anybody
have.
wants to send me anything, my address is 1555 Broadway Street, Detroit, Michigan. Just saying. Okay, 1555 Broadway Street, Detroit, Michigan.
Tom, are you writing this down?
Yeah.
we need to send Luke a present, okay?
I'm gonna send you a box. I'm gonna tell you when to open it. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to go share the stream right now on my X. Everyone join me. Let's get those viewers
people
up
who
to
are here
1,000.
Yes, and the folks who are here every day.
Okay.
Yeah, every day. We love you.
I did have one person who's a regular viewer
How many names
send me a
would that
package
be?
from Brazil recently.
Ooh, wow.
It's pretty far.
Oh, cool.
Awesome.
Okay, I just reposted our stream. Let's go.
All right.
Let's-
All right, this is going to be fun. We'll build this list over the next few days.
Oh, it'll be
Oh,
so
Victor's
fun.
from Brazil. Where are you?
Schwag.
Okay.
Schwag for everyone, Luke? Like MyFundedFutures? Schwag for the people that we pick?
Yes.
Awesome. Awesome.
And possibly a Tesla too. But
okay.
at least the hat. At least the hat.
All right.
At least the hat.
At least the hat.
At least.
Yeah, let's do it, chat. It's possible.
model
It's
the
easy
hat.
to do. So just share the link everywhere. Everybody obviously has socials. Everybody has a phone book. So you obviously texting everybody about your daily routine, what toothpaste you're buying in your or whatever you're buying in your local grocery shop. So whatever you need to do and texting everybody, just please send the stream link to everyone, even to your ex-boyfriend, girlfriend, ex-husband, wife, whatever, to your high school friends, teachers, everybody is in the list, just send the link. Easy to do. I said phone
Let's
book,
go.
yes.
Done. Diku MFTV sent it out, shared it. Thank you. Let's go. R. Francis already shared it.
All right. And let's see how many sales we're up to. We're at 68 when I checked the first time.
Okay.
Go to YouTube.
Guys, we gotta pump this up a little bit.
I need to go buy my other two.
Yes.
I can add
You
to
get
it.
3
I can add.
uses, 50% off. I mean, it is the biggest sale that we're going to do. I mean, it's unbelievable. We're also going to get a 100K payout request cap for $113 all in. I mean, it's unreal.
It is unreal. I haven't seen the pro account, like the Big Daddy accounts, go on sale this entire time. So this is a really good deal. Or I think
All
I
right,
have
we're up to
seen it go on sale,
77
but
now.
was a
Keep it
small
rolling.
sale.
Come on, baby.
Let's go.
Okay, I just pulled up my credit card, so I'm buying. I don't
All
care.
right. Yes, sir. Come on. Use code YouTube. It helps us.
Definitely.
100%.
All right, I'll let y'all get back to it now.
Okay, thanks, Luke.
All right.
Anytime,
sorry,
Luke.
Stop interrupting. Yeah.
No,
No, you're never
interrupt.
interrupting. Never, ever.
Everyone loves it.
Oh yeah. Bring some gifts. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I have the credit debit card actually. It's kind of cool. This is a metal card. It has my name on it. Tom Sabo, as you can see.
Cool.
Cool. So I'm buying, guys. But as soon as we're finished here, I'm definitely getting my pro account.
Are you going to buy the Big Daddy one?
I think I want to have the Big Daddy one because I need some bigger room to trade with. So,
Me too.
yeah.
Exactly, Tom. Because we like to trade big sometimes. And it's so it's $4,500 worth of drawdown for the 150K Pro. And we can go max contract if we want to scalp. Like that's kind of a big advantage with that account. You have more drawdown, and if you like to, scalp, like let's say 2 points, you can in that account.
Oh yeah.
And still make it feel like you're getting profits, because when I do that on MNQ, I just want to cry.
Oh yeah.
with one contract, scalping
one.
MNQ with one contract, I'm like, $20, not even 20, 10 points in MNQ with one contract is $20 before commissions. And I'm just like,
Well, it's, it's stress free at least. So
yes, exactly. This is true. Yeah. Tom, what do you think about that idea of doing that random challenge sometime? We'll have to talk more about it. I know you.
I definitely want to. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to share with people who are listening kind of your thoughts about it, your idea behind it?
Yeah, guys. So the thing is that we were talking about with Terry, and we mentioned this earlier. Like, this would be super amazing. Are you thinking about the 1 micro challenge or the coin flip thing?
The coin flip thing.
Okay, so yeah. So the coin flip, it has been proven. And by the way, I think I did found that article. It was like 2 or 3 years ago. It has been proven scientifically, so scientific fact, that if you flip a coin 1,000 times, like 50% is going to be heads or tails. So it's pretty much going to even out. But the thing is, if you use a coin flip to decide if you're going to go long or you're going to go short on any given market conditions, with proper risk management, you can actually put that account into profit without using any indicator or concept to trying to quote unquote predict the move, just using a single coin flip. After that, it's all on your risk management. So I was thinking, and we were talking about this with Terry, that the coin flip gives us the direction. We take the trade, but we are going to apply the risk management. So if we don't see that the market is going like in the direction as the coin suggests it, so maybe it's going to be a much lower risk, right? If it has a potential to reach a certain level on that side of the market, then yes, we can take a little bit more risk. So we are going to determine the risk on those trades, and the coin is going to tell us the direction. I think it would be a super awesome experiment. We definitely need like, I don't even know how many. So I don't know, how much would that be, Terry? Like one trade a day, or that would give us like about 20 trades in any given month, or we should do more trades, or what do you think about that?
I think we should do one trade a day during, let's say from 10 to 10:30, we'll do one trade a day. And then it can be an ongoing series, right? Like something that we just do, because we need a lot of occurrences to let the probabilities work out. And I would say we should trade small as far as the number of contracts. So trade as small as possible.
Yeah.
And let's see where the account is like in 250 trading days, something like that.
Oh my gosh, that would be a super awesome experiment. I think we should definitely do that. Although I'm not saying a big secret with this, I think we do need to get the green light from our legal department at MyFundedFutures. So once we have a green light on this project, just to be aligned with compliance and everything, and according to CME standards and SEC and everything. So you gotta be really careful on these things. But once we have the green light from legal department, I think this would be an awesome endeavor, to take for the next couple of months. I think this would be amazing.
Like an interesting project to see what ends up happening. And I'll tell you why it's very interesting to me, and probably to you too, Tom. It's the power of risk management, right?
Yes.
So
yes.
With like, for example, Ash, he shared with us that in his live account that he's had for 5-6 months, and his balance is very healthy. The last time I saw, he shared a post, it was like over $40,000. He has taken, it was in the teens of how many payouts he's also taken out of that account. And what he says is that his win rate is about 50%. So it does come down to risk management as being a very important piece of it, right? Like, of course, Ash is amazing at analysis and entries, and but he's also very good at his exits too. He's not hanging on to losers, and his winners run. Which when he comes on next, you'll be able to ask him lots of questions about that. But yeah, and in my mind, I just picture if someone is flipping a coin, and every time it lands on heads, If you win, you get to have $2. Every time it lands on tails, you lose $1. Over time, over a big sample pool, you're going to come out ahead. And that's what we call positive expectancy. And every single profitable trader has positive expectancy. And that is like such a big part of trading that I knew nothing about when I first started. Like I knew nothing about that. I had no idea, Tom.
That is, the way you explained it and the way you added everything, this is absolutely to the spot. Like it all comes down to risk management, and I love the way you shared this and explained this. And yes, 100% agree. We can use so many things, and obviously Ash is such a great example to show us how much it means to even go with like just 50% win ratio, and he's printing money, and I think he's even higher on his account. Maybe I will ask him. I think he's like, last time he was like $46,000 or nearly 50 or something. I don't know, but he's taking payouts regularly, and 50%. And also I maybe he said it and I forgot it. Like, is he closing down his trades when it's moving close to a stop? Or I think he's leaving his trades onto a full stop. I think I'm not sure, but I will ask him. Definitely what I want to say is all comes down to risk management and not messing with your trades, by the way, and extremely high discipline with Ash. So he's definitely a soldier on that one. He puts on the trade and set it and forget it. I think that's what he does. So proper risk management at the end of the day, everybody.
Yes, a methodical man is in the house. What is up, Myth?
Hey, methodical man. I heard the stories, by the way. Not liking it. Not liking it.
Methodical man says, if Tom Sabo guarantee didn't hit yesterday, that back hair would be gone today.
Yeah, we got to. We got to talk about that later. I heard some stories about some guarantees that you give into the chat without my consent, but anyway, it got hit. But it's fine.
What was the guarantee? I missed it.
I think Myth and Barbie were going for like 360 or something. And they told everybody that's my personalized guarantee level there, and I was like, what? Who said that? Nobody, but anyway, it hit the TP.
Speaking of Myth and Barbie, they will be on in about 8 minutes. So stay tuned. They will be hosting the next hour with you guys and celebrating the Thanksgiving week, the end of the week.
Oh yeah, today's going to be a little bit shorter, but it's a little bit more fun, and obviously we'll try to make the best of it. And yeah, I mean, if you guys see the charts, like obviously, I'm not going to say anything, but at least we can share some positive vibes, info, and not to forget about the biggest deal of all, this pro account deal, which is, I think it's amazing. This is the biggest one MyFundedFutures ever did, right? So there has not been a bigger pro account deal ever. So 50% is like, wow. It's
yes.
Like, yeah.
Exactly. And that special treat as part of the deal, when you use code YouTube, you will get that 50% off any of the pro accounts, but you'll also get 1 in 10 purchases wins a free reset. So that's very good odds to win a free reset. And that is a special little treat for everyone.
Oh yeah, and then if you buy 3, obviously your chances are tripled. So
yeah, exactly. So it's the biggest discount of the year, ultimate trading flexibility, no activation fees, and you can request up to $100,000 in payouts.
Oh yeah. So I'm kind of checking the chart here. Yeah, nothing is moving. Pretty much just one single unplugged NQ. And yeah, gold is a little bit going lower, but nothing special. NQ is unplugged. Not much to do with this, guys. So yeah, and also must add again that with the pro account, basically you're getting the most freedom, almost like 98% the most freedom that you can get, like as close as to get a regular cash account on your own. Imagine the leverage and all the benefits that you're getting. The only thing that you need to be aware of, don't trade the red folder news. Otherwise, no restrictions on your trading style, on your trading freedom. Microscoping allowed, DCAing allowed. You manage your risk the way you wanted it. You wanted no scaling rules. So if you want to do some heavy hits, it's up to you. You can go all in, obviously with proper risk management, of course. But all the freedom that you can get. So this is definitely the flagship, I would say, of MyFundedFutures, the Pro account.
Mm-hmm.
So,
it really is. It's like the luxury line.
the luxury line.
The luxury line.
The luxury line.
Yeah, they really, for real, you guys. I have never seen a sale this good on the Pro accounts. As far as like, I keep eyeballing that 150K Pro because like those are the accounts that I really want because I like a lot of drawdown when I trade. And I haven't seen 50% off the Big Daddy account. So it's fantastic.
Yeah, lots of, especially the big accounts, The original price is how much? 420 or 50 something? I don't even know.
Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
It brings it down from 400 something to 200 something. So it's
Wow.
big savings. Big savings.
Yeah.
Basically, you're able to buy two for the price of one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So forget it.
And you get the chance to win that free reset. Two chances.
And use code YouTube to support the stream, So
Yes.
use YouTube.
So Tom, you don't celebrate Thanksgiving in Hungary, right?
We're not celebrating Thanksgiving, but we are celebrating every day, 365 a year. So, but
I love that.
No, we're not celebrating Thanksgiving, but in my soul, I feel like it's almost like a holiday for me. In the past couple of years, since I'm trading and I'm in the futures market, and obviously I'm trading futures, I kind of feel like I kind of merged with the U.S. holidays myself. So I learned a lot as I could from Thanksgiving myself. And Thanksgiving, it's like, I would say we should be grateful for everything in our lives every now and then. I think Thanksgiving is an exceptionally great opportunity to be grateful for your achievements, not just on the charts, but in real life and everywhere. So it's a great thing.
It really is. We are so thankful for all of you listening and watching us every single day. MyFundedFutures just dropped the form. Make sure you fill out the form. It is pinned on top of chat for a chance to win a core account for only $1, courtesy of Luke, Fabio, and Nick.
Oh yeah.
All of us.
All of us.
Yes, truly, we're so grateful for you guys. It's what drives us to come every single morning and to put on a good show for you because you guys make it like worthwhile every single morning. And
one of the things I also have to be grateful that we are having such a great team, as you just said it, Terry. We're having such a great team here at MyFunded TV. So not just us as hosts, but we have Magnus and Danny in the back. We have Abhishek helping us out, Luke and Fabio, an amazing team. So I think we couldn't be better. Obviously, we're always going to be better and better, but the vibes and everything is just awesome. So good team, really awesome team. I'm super grateful for this.
Type in W if you're so happy that you're here and part of the MyFundedFutures family. I am super grateful.
I'm going to type in 2 W's there, actually 3.
Oh, I'm going to beat you, Tom. I'm going to put in like 10.
Oh, you know what? Who cares? I'm gonna spam.
Are you gonna do 20?
I'm gonna spam this. I don't care.
That's it. I'll do 100.
Yeah, all right. So I'm just saying, guys, like it's Friday. Obviously, don't expect too much. We have an early close at 1 p.m. and NQ is pretty much unplugged. Although, as my final take on this price action, I would love to see down close candles below like below 340, just to finish up with this unbalanced price range at the opening gap. I mean, with the CME outage. So I just want to see price going lower to 340, and that is it. Yeah.
Okay.
And of course, be safe, trade safe, and enjoy the weekend. That's what I want to say, because I think our time is up, right?
Yes. Enjoy the weekend, everyone. Thank you so much. We will see you on Monday. Up next is Myth and Barbie.
Oh, yeah. The dream team.
When the tickers shiver and the charts go insane, you know legends just locked in again. Bull Barbie's got that red hot streak, and methodical man's moves are sleek. Trends don't chase, trends surrender. S&P and NASDAQ, remember her. Stops freeze and profits obey. When these two trade, the game's all played. She once rode a bull straight through a bear market. He timed to pull back before the bell even barked it. It's Bull Barbie and methodical man, the unstoppable legends of the future's land.
Good morning.
Good morning. I was waiting on you to say it. I was like, let's wait on Barbie to say good morning.
Ladies first today, huh?
Look at me. I still got my P&Ls on my chart. What am I doing? Can't show you guys that. Can't show you guys that stuff.
Top secret. Don't let them. The IRS is watching.
It's not allowed. It's not allowed. Hopefully everybody had a good little holiday yesterday and you've protected your capital this morning. So no real reason to do much today. Staying inside
I couldn't help myself because I was over here watching stuff. But I broke my eval drought. I got an eval and I was trading gold this morning. I decided to try something different.
Your gold was ripping, right?
Yeah, it's been doing pretty good.
Ripping up to the moon. Yeah, I haven't taken any trades this morning yet. I do have an order sitting down at 299.50 for a previous day close bounce, but whether or not it gets tagged in or not, who knows? We are up $255 on this account already, so we'll risk 100 for 100 if we get down to that level. So, but otherwise, we're not going to worry about it. We're going to be doing some account giveaways this morning, guys, but we need the likes up. We got 414 to start, so let's get it to 500 at least for us to give away the first one. So Barbie's going to be choosing one, and I'm going to be choosing one as well. Let's go. So we got to hit the like button. So what'd you take? You jumped in on gold?
Yeah, I've been wanting to mess with gold, and I've been kind of studying up on some new stuff. So it's kind of a good, nice quiet morning. And then we had some CME drama I wanted to avoid. So
yeah,
I kind of play with that. But in general, I don't really trade these half days. So, just mostly focused on getting organized and staying sharp and studying up today. But, it's a good opportunity for us to hop on and talk to the crew and see if you'll have questions today, too, since it is a slower day.
Definitely one of those days with that CME stuff. I mean, I don't know. I kind of was going to avoid trading, but I feel it's okay to take a little scalp here. Probably won't take very long to hit the profit.
Yeah, I did take a really small MES scalp off. I was trying to grab some lows. I don't know where I actually got it. Just to see if the thing was working. It was working.
Nice.
I was in here around the 40 level. I just took a quick little scalp. I didn't even get through the highs with it, but
yeah, we're staying inside that 15-minute range today. ES has actually broke out of it, but NASDAQ looking like the weaker indice so far today.
Have you seen the Dow?
No, I haven't. I don't look at the Dow at all. I
can't
remember.
Is just full moon shoot.
Yeah, I can't remember the last time I looked there. Looked at the Dow.
But also, I mean, I don't think that the NASDAQ really can move up because we've got NVIDIA just tanking and then nothing else is really holding anything up. I guess Meta a little bit, but
just holding it down.
Yeah, NVIDIA and Google and Apple, but I guess Apple's not number one anymore. Poor Apple.
Yeah, yes, is trying to break through the highs here. Let's see if he can do it. Let's see if he can do it.
Izzy Lizzie says gold is temperamental.
Oh, for
I
sure.
believe that.
You're either going to get paid quickly or you're going to be bent over and taking a spanking quickly. So,
Yeah.
Javi wants to know, how do we start trading? How did we start trading?
Just blindly pushing buttons.
I basically started, I watched, I don't know, just like anybody, you got like, you see these notifications on YouTube and, watching another streamer, and just kind of I found futures just kind of by accident. So, but I'm glad I did because I love it.
Some drama out there.
Yeah,
there was real slow because I started buying and holding, so that was the very beginning, long ago, just stocks, and then I started swinging options. I didn't even know what futures were, though. You have to get pretty far into it.
Yeah, I didn't either. I mean, that was the thing. I started out with the penny stocks, and then somebody that I watched when it switched over to futures, and I was like, oh, so I can just trade this one chart, and I don't have to go and like find the stock that I want to trade every day.
Yeah, that's kind of stressed me out.
Yeah, I was like, that's a game changer right there. I don't need any alert. I just jump on the chart and just look for the pattern. That's it. So
your cars this week, no luck, pure skill. But no, I agree with that. It's nice when you can kind of become an expert in one thing, and it does make trading a lot easier because finance is hard. This isn't easy. We didn't come here because it's easy. We came here because there's a high profit potential.
Yeah.
And any way you can make it simple is great. And focusing on index futures is one really great way to do that. We got tons of leverage in this, especially when you're looking at a prop firm, which, we got to mention it today, Black Friday. That's why we're here, right? Make sure everyone knows about this. Is one day only Black Friday sale where you can get the 50K Pro for 50% off.
50% off. I think that's around $113, right? So it's a really good deal. What are the advantages to the Pro accounts over the other accounts? What are they, Barbie?
Well, you get a 100K payout request maximum. So that's how much you can potentially get out of there before you're forced into live. There's no consistency rule, no daily loss limit. You can pass the account in 2 days if you have a couple really good days. The payouts are instant, which is really crazy. And then, of course, the thing that really turned me on was the $0 activation fees, because I'm used to paying activation fees elsewhere. Yep. They're kind of expensive.
And the scaling rule is a big deal too. No scaling rule, and
you get paid
every 14 days, right, on that instead of trading days.
Yes, so it's kind of set up to get you in a regular pay cycle if you're kind of used to that, which is cool. But there's an extra thing on Black Friday because you have a 1 in 10 chance to win a free reset too. You picked that up today.
And all that with using code YouTube. There we go. You guys want to help us out?
Very good deal. I don't know if y'all noticed, because the MyFundedFutures accounts are already a really great deal with the no activation and all that. The all-in cost on a MyFundedFutures account on a regular day is not very high. So they don't do a lot of these big straight off the top discounts. Definitely take advantage of that. Big deal.
For sure.
And there's some details posted in chat there too, if you like to see them typed out.
So Barbie, what's your plan this weekend? You going to be watching any football, or you got other plans?
Yeah, there's kind of a big Texas versus Texas game, so that will be on.
They're playing themselves, first string versus second string.
That's one way to look at it.
First string versus second string over here. Now we got Texas A&M. We got Alabama, Auburn. We got Michigan, Ohio State, Georgia Tech later today. Let's go. So I'm going to be heading out to the Atlanta Hawks game tonight.
Nice.
They're playing the Cavaliers. Jason, who is one of my girlfriend's kids, is a very big Cavaliers fan. So
let's go.
We go to that game every year. It's right next door to the, obviously be next door to the Georgia Tech game. If the Georgia tickets were actually a little cheaper, I might would stab both, but I don't think
Yeah,
they
you want
are.
to talk about Longhorn tickets?
Well, I mean, I went to the Georgia game last year, Georgia versus Texas. Those tickets, I paid about $2,000, I think, for my ticket.
Yeah, it's insane. But even getting into Darrell Royal Stadium, getting ridiculous. A few years ago, it wasn't that bad. When things were really bad, that's when you could buy your season tickets. But I don't know. I'd rather watch indoors when we start getting later into the season here. I don't like cold. So
Well, I sat in the
risk it.
alumni box, and it was nice. So, they open the windows. It's not quite the same as being outside, but it was nice. It's comfortable.
Yeah,
So,
way to do it.
yeah, I'm looking at the tickets now. They're like $500 a piece. Yeah, I got four people going, so I'm not paying for that. Take the
Manning
short.
doesn't need to step it up, but that's probably who it'll come down to, right? How's Manning doing today?
Yeah,
Am I
for
short on
sure.
the indexes right now?
I'm not taking a short. If anything, I'll take a long, like I said, off that 300 level. Previous day close, gap fill. If we can get
Yeah, the
down
pullback
there.
longs are a little more friendly on Black Friday. The majority of day after Thanksgiving closes higher. So
Come on, guys. 446 likes. Let's get this up there.
are they talking about Texas hosting the World Cup? That would be crazy. The Austin Stadium's not that big, so I don't think they would do it there. The
I'm
Austin
not
Stadium is
sure.
actually in Austin. Like, it's pretty landlocked.
Yeah, it's a nice area over there, though.
It is. It's just traffic-wise, I don't think that would work. I did go to an international game there, and that was already a little bit rough. And it was, I don't remember who it was. Maybe it was US and Trinidad. And so it wasn't even like the most massive game, and it was still, it was an invasion for that part of town.
I did not eat turkey yesterday. I had ham. Pretty sure Barbie had turkey, though.
I had turkey, yeah.
What's the
Lots of
buffer
mashed
for
potatoes
the...
and gravy.
Oh, yeah, that's the good stuff. What's the buffer for the 150K account? Good question. I don't know the answer.
I don't either.
I mostly trade the 50K accounts. I don't typically go up higher than that, but let's look. I can look and find the answer, I'm sure, or someone else can tell you. Should be $4,500, right? Yeah, I think so. So, yeah, I ate a lot yesterday, Gabriel. Ate a lot. We're taking it easy today, though, because we definitely overdid it. How long should Thanksgiving food be kept as leftovers? Right. I throw mine away the same day. If they're not eaten by the end of the day, it hits the garbage.
Wow, you're rough on them.
It hits the garbage. That's what we do. Well, I mean, let's think about it. Like, what Thanksgiving food is good reheated? Not many. Ham, turkey, that's fine. But deviled eggs? No. Mashed potatoes? No. Mac and cheese? No. I don't know. I just don't heat the other. I don't like the other
Mac
stuff.
and cheese this year. We
Heated
usually
up.
do, but the homemade mac and cheese made in the oven and everything, or finished in the oven.
I'll eat like the ham and stuff. Yeah, but to be fair, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, like that stuff doesn't survive to be able to be saved anyway. It's
Homemade
all
mac
eaten.
and cheese does.
It's been eaten. You made some homemade mac and cheese? I did that last year, and the kids were like, "This mac and cheese sucks." So
That's what I usually make, because I don't want to eat the stuff out of the box. I'm done with that.
all right, guys, we're slowly grinding towards that 500 likes to be able to do these giveaways. So let's get there. Riddle time. All right, Abhishek's about to drop a riddle. I think that was Abhishek that said that. I think he did. I've never seen the riddle, but we'll see.
I bet we can give away some good accounts if we get there too.
I do like cold pizza, Craig. I like cold pizza. I like reheated, like
How do you reheat your pizza?
like
Everyone's got a trick.
20 seconds in the microwave. I don't have time to like stick it in the oven. So
I do it on the stove.
yeah. But like meatloaf, I'll reheat meatloaf and eat that. That's good. That's good. Meatloaf to me is better the second day. So I know meatloaf's kind of like one of those things some people like, some people
We're
don't.
working up your appetite early today.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. So the market's just not moving. I mean, it's not much to do.
No, I think that the climb higher makes sense. Of course, the 6850 level's giving it trouble. NASDAQ's not wanting to go because tech is, I mean, NVIDIA, because NASDAQ is NVIDIA these days.
Trader K9, you breached all your accounts today. That sucks. But how? I mean, number one, I probably wouldn't have been trading. We're only in a 90 point range. So you had to have been maybe sized up there in order to do that.
Time to get that Black Friday deal.
Or just got chopped in the back and forth, maybe. Just maybe that was what happened. That sucks though, man. Hate to hear that, especially on a Friday. I always hate, I hate when that happens on a Friday. You have to think about it all weekend. So we did take some trades overnight, guys. We're up $53 in our funded accounts.
Let's go.
Yeah.
100 of them.
Got our base hits over there. Got that stuff in, so can't complain too much. Must have been flipping
towards
a coin.
Payouts. That's what we do.
Yeah, inching towards those payouts. That's right. We're looking to have a really big January and February, honestly.
Let's go.
If we can set ourselves up correctly, and as long as nothing bad happens, as long as Barbie doesn't give me a bad alert, a bad signal.
Yeah, it'll be my fault.
Yeah.
That is a good way to think about it. You're like planning for the future, not trying to say, I have to do this all today. Makes it a lot easier, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Just take $50 a day. Like, there's some days, I'm not going to lie, where it's tough because like the market will be having really good price action and I'll feel like I'm like zoned in on it and I'm reading it really well and I want to make more on the funded accounts. But I know that's not a part of the plan. So I don't press the button. I've been really good over the last 25 traded days to, show patience and pressing the button on those accounts. So
very nice.
Bear Trader wants to thank MyFundedFutures for the pro account I'm about to win on this live stream. Congratulations, Bear Trader.
How are we doing on the likes? Is Bear Trader helping us with that? It must be.
468 likes.
That's pretty good. Almost there. We do have a short stream today too. Obviously, this is a very special, or not very special. This is a special stream for Black Friday. The market is on a half day, so we kind of are too. But we wanted to make sure that y'all knew about the Black Friday special. Got to see us another time this week before we really get serious for. Are we going to have a Santa rally?
Santa rally
coming?
We already kind of had it start, right? I mean,
yeah,
theoretically,
seems like we've already started.
I mean, the last week of Thanksgiving or whatever, November, we've just.
Oh yeah, this would be 1, 2, 3. This would be our fifth green daily candle if we put that in.
Yeah.
Santa rally is here.
Santa rally is here. I don't mind the Santa rally. It works for me. No luck can't handle 3 days without MyFundedFutures TV.
I know, I feel you. So this is the Myth and I are going to close out today in a little while. So we want to make sure we get some accounts out to y'all first. So keep sharing the stream, get the likes up just a little bit. We're almost there.
Tom tried to claim on his segment that he did not give me that guarantee. I don't know why he would say something like that. I mean, come on.
Obviously, everything to Tom Sabo guarantee.
I would never put that on my chart if he didn't okay it. Okay. I want you guys to know that. I would never put that on my chart. So I got the DMs. I can show you guys.
Got
the DMs. Tom's going to sue us.
All good.
It's fine. I'll give him 1,000 Hungarian forints.
Ooh.
That's like $40 or something. I don't even know. No back shaving for Tom. No back shaving. Maybe next time. Next time, I'm going to make it a more difficult level. What disappears every week but comes back every week? Tom's back hair. Man, that's some fast growing hair. I wonder if he probably puts something on it, right? To grow it.
I mean, they've got beard oil. There's probably some nice back hair oil you can get too, right?
All right. So Naz said 1,000 for rent is $3 US. All right, there we go. I thought it was 30.
I saw some of these traders on X have made like 88 million, but they live on the moon. So I was trying to figure out what the conversion rate is with the moon.
Moon dollars.
There's moon traders.
Look at ES here, just
ES.
breaking
I
out.
was just looking at it. I did just scalp it.
And it's just ripping higher.
Up to that 52, which is exactly where I went. There's a big order sitting up there, so I just wanted to participate.
ES is above the hourly initial balance as well.
To the moon.
Yeah, NASDAQ, it kind of makes me want to jump in, but not gonna. I do think we squeeze here a bit, though. It's got that look in its eye.
It does. It's got that squeezy look.
Yeah, I got some limit orders down here at 300, but to be honest, we're 100 points away. I really don't see those getting touched today. That will be a level that I'll watch at open on Sunday, though. If we open up at Sunday and kind of gap down into this area, I would long 300. I don't think it'd be too bad.
Here goes some more pump.
Oh my
There's a bunch of sell orders up here, though. There's a lot of profit taking. Don't get too excited.
I mean, we could take an initial balance play off 421 if we get it. Basically a close above or retest and see if we get, I don't know. I'd probably
let's climb up. So if you're going to buy it, you just want to buy it as low as possible.
Yeah.
Kind of look at that. There's a trend line forming, especially on ES. It's a little bit more clear.
How much time do I spend on the markets each day? So I stream usually an hour with Barbie and then about 2 hours on my own stream. So that's about the gist of it, 3 to 4 hours per day. So if I weren't streaming, I probably would just be 1 or 2 trades and done, minutes. So yeah, it's so my initial balance is the first hour high and low of the New York Open. That's how I mark it out. But yeah, if I were not streaming and I was simply trading for money, as soon as I got my target, I'd be off the charts. Because the longer you stay in, I mean, the market is designed to take your money. So the longer you spend in the markets and you have trades open, you're at risk, the higher probability is that you're going to lose. That's the way I look at it. So I'm always
it really
off
is
the charts.
every single time you enter the market, you are risking your account to some extent. So that is a good way to think about it. That's why we want to, at least the way that I look at it is I want to look for the spots where I can have the best risk to reward and they're the best, juiciest spots. And that's where I want to engage. At least if I'm going to be copying to multiple accounts and trading in my own live account and all that, that's where I want it to be. I want it to be that really good, juicy spot. So you can find little spots all up and down price action, but the biggest, juiciest spots are if you can only take a couple trades, those are the ones that you look for. And when you do wait for those, it works out nicely.
And I know some people say like, oh, I don't have a profit target per day. You know, I don't. And then like, I'm not saying those people are wrong because like, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Right. It's just whatever makes you successful. So I know stopping at a target for me gives me higher probability of being successful long-term than just taking multiple setups. Right. Yeah. And so that's what works for me, but it may not be that way for you or for someone else.
There's always a chance that you're wrong. And the more trades you get, the more likely you are to have one that's wrong.
Yeah.
But I mean, some people are really good at switching and not having that stuff eat them up, but you have to kind of find your own balance. This is different for every trader. Like you said, there's not really a right way or a wrong way. But some people do great taking a few trades a month, and some people take a few trades every 5 minutes. Yep. And every single time you take a trade, you are risking. So your risk to reward and everything really needs to match up. It's a more complicated equation than I think is immediately obvious.
But that's why, you have to spend time on the chart. You have to spend time and know what works for you. What's your personality? That's why, to my core, I'm a scalper. I can take longer trades, but on my funded accounts, I'm going to take scalps because I know that, there will be a certain anxiety that comes with, I'm not dead inside yet when it comes to trying to take a longer trade on my funded accounts. So much better. I feel much better when I just scalp those accounts. So that's what I do. Switching back to the 2 minute here, since we're getting a pullback. I mean, this is an area where you could take a trade. I mean, 390, 395, and you could There is an SMT at the high there. We didn't quite run it by a few ticks, but I do think that we do get up there. Looks that way anyway.
Well, we're at the 6850 on ES, which is a key level. So I'd be looking to see we might get a little dip inside of the 50 level and then back over to hold it. Should look pretty strong. That would continue the walk up pattern that we have.
I'm going to take a little stab here early. We're going to stab early.
They're trying to hold it, so we'll see.
I'm not going to leave this 10-point stop in because I don't think.
So you couldn't help it either. You just have to trade. You come to the charts, you have to trade.
Yeah, that's what happens. Well, I do like initial balance is at that 350 area or 6850 area there on the ES as well. So I do think this is an okay area for a bounce. Just looking for a little 10-pointer, but she's not cooperating so far. Yeah, the stop, I'm not really, I'm really okay with the stop being kind of like down there. And I'll add into this maybe at like the 390, kind of what we talked about. Might be a little bit early here. We'll see what we get. What's happening? We got a riddle. We got a riddle going. I'm not sure how the riddle stuff works. What is the riddle? I'm very confused.
You obviously got a whole side quest going on in chat.
I see that. That's why I was confused. 3 words, each has 7 letters. I'm confused. I'll be lost. The riddle will get me. My mom did that one year for Easter. If anybody has little kids listening, cover their ears. I don't want to ruin the Easter bunny for them. But yeah, she did so we woke up on Easter and she had a scavenger hunt planned, and we had to like go around and find our, Easter baskets and stuff. So yeah, I wasn't a fan. I was like, what? I got to work for my Easter basket? What is this?
My favorite was the day that Easter fell on April Fool's Day. The Easter Bunny left eggs filled with Brussels sprouts and potatoes.
That's the worst Easter ever. The worst.
It was so funny though.
Who disliked the stream? We just went from 487 to 486. Who did that?
No.
You're out of here. Let me look it up and see who it was. No soup for you. You're out of here. So
the CME was playing with everyone's hearts this morning. I know. So I was nervous to mess with the indexes when it first opened because I wanted to make sure it was really working.
Yeah, it's one of those things. I mean, I think it seems to be working fine now.
Yeah.
Once
the market opened, well, the spreads are weird because it's a thin day, but once the market opened, things kind of got normal-ish.
Dislikers get Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, this is a half day in the market, so it's a little weird, a little different. We are ending the stream in a little bit, but not until we give away a couple accounts. This is so the Black Friday special for MyFundedFutures, the 50% off pro account, that is today only. So we will move into a Cyber Monday special also, but I'm telling y'all, you're gonna like this Black Friday one. Stay tuned for the Cyber Monday one. But make sure you get one today too.
As I always say, don't come into the stream on Monday saying, "Hey, I missed that sale." Well, we told you. We told you it was ending.
It really is a one day only Black Friday. I know they kind of launched it last night, but it's 24 hours only, right?
One day, that's all you get.
And there is a Cyber Monday special coming as well. So you'll still get a discount.
It's Friday, though. Everybody got paid today. You got paid today. So that means you got money to use, right? I don't know.
He's got 2 letters. You have to find the rest of the letters.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me count it.
I don't think he's going to give you it. You're not going to get the account. I'm going to make sure Abhishek doesn't give it to Myth.
I already know what it is. I've already figured it out. You guys not figured that out yet? That's like the easiest thing in the world. Come on. I already know what it is.
You're just showing off.
We already know what it is. I can't tell you. It's a secret.
But how are we doing on these likes? I think we're super close. I just refreshed it a little bit ago.
We need 6 more. See, it's funny because like today, mine is actually updating in real time where it hasn't been all week. So I don't know. YouTube's being weird.
5 more.
Well, I guess I should have been a little more patient. I could have got a better entry.
That's what I was saying.
Could have got a little better entry, but it'd be all right.
Yeah, we'll work it. It's just going to be a little slower. It is following that trend line. ES is very, very closely following a trend line right now. So that's our walk up pattern. Let's do it. I do
see that. You are correct. I do like that.
It fits with the idea that we usually have these slow grinds up on Black Fridays too.
Yeah.
So you just have to kind of find that spot.
Well, that's usually like in holidays. That's usually what I do is like I'll pick a direction. Kind of same thing I do at night. Pick a direction and just kind of stick with it. As long as the market kind of holds it and I just believe in that direction.
Yeah, you can find those little pop spots. Oh, I think we made our likes. So how are we going to do this? They're giving away an account in chat. We're giving away accounts here.
We have the winner, says Abhishek. Let's go. Let's see who Abhishek's winner was. That's what I want to know. By the way, guys, I was just kidding. I did not know what the answer was. I suck at those riddles. I started counting the letters and I said, that's too high for me to count. That's too high.
It is a holiday weekend. Like we are literally in the middle of the holiday a little bit. So, yeah.
I'm turned off right here. I can't, my brain's, it's on vacation mode. That's why I entered this long. The WeWop, you don't even know what the question was. Tom Sabo. That's all it was. Tom Sabo. Tom Sabo. Did Raphael get it? Raphael trades? Minimum account balance is the answer. Let's go.
Tom Sabo is always the answer.
Ding, 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 ding. We hit the target over here. Let's go.
Yes.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right.
Nice little pop.
I told you guys we could get 10 points.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah, now we just need 550 likes to do the giveaway. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm just teasing you guys. Although I know you can do it. I know you could do it. You said maximum account balance. Ah. No, I don't care. How do you want to do it? You want to just do a random scroll, or do you want to do something different?
Yeah, let's do some random scroll.
All right, you go for ladies first.
Ladies first. Okay, I'm scrolling. I'm going through everyone who has already kind of chatted, so this is probably going to get up into some of the previous ones. But here, I picked a very, very random one, and it is. Whoa! I messed up my screen.
That's a long screen name.
Jip Smith.
Jim Smith. Let's go. Or Jips.
I think
Smith.
it's Jip. Jip Smith.
Jip Smith. Congratulations. And I'll do mine, 30 seconds before the stream ends. That's how we roll.
We like to do extra torture over there.
Hey, you guys got to stick around for the whole stream, okay? I'm not playing around over here.
Yeah, it was rapid fire on 2. We got to hold this last one out. So we're going to go about 25 more minutes.
Yeah, that's what
we do. 25 more minutes.
Hold you guys
can
hostage.
Ask questions too. Slower market. We got more time to answer questions. Good ones though. Like, what's our favorite color?
Let's see. Barbie's favorite color, I think, is definitely not pink. It's got to be something else. Pink. Yeah, it's got to be something else. What do you guys think my favorite color is?
I'm gonna go with red.
No, it's not red. It is blue. I like blue. I mean, there's not too many colors to pick from, right? So
depends on how specific you want to get. Some people like to get really specific.
What, like bright pink, bright yellow, lavender? I don't know. I might try an initial balance play here. I don't love it, but I may try it anyway. For the stream, this trade's got like a 50% win rate, just so you know. So half the time it's going to work, the other half it's not. What up, Bear Trader? 50%. You guys understand what 50% means, right? It half the time it works, half the time it loses. So
there's a nice little ES pop there. I definitely think they're trying to work their way up to that 60 level. It might just be this little stair step up.
Close your eyes and pray. That's right. That's what this trade is. You don't know if it's going to work.
Well, we're finally getting a push on NASDAQ. It's like NASDAQ finally woke up. That's what
Yeah.
I mean. You were on NASDAQ, right? I like that.
Yeah.
I like NASDAQ for that little pop.
The initial balance play did work on ES as well.
We just already got a little more pump.
This needs
I
to
did
close.
play ES very small earlier.
Yeah,
I wanted to make sure it was on.
I don't love the close of this candle. We'll take it anyway. Why not? Generally, I like the candle to close like 8-9 points and up above IB and then retest, but really didn't get that here. But we're going to give it a try. 10-point risk, 10-point take profit. It's got a fixed risk.
They're hitting let's see, where are we? The 55 level with some orders. So if you get through 55 on ES, that should help.
Let's see kind of what happens here. Rupee trades. We'll see you Monday. Not tomorrow. We won't be here. Not going to be here. I've had this Georgia shirt for like 20 years. This is my favorite shirt. This thing's like 20 years old, probably older than some of you in the chat.
At least they're getting started early.
All right, that's a decent close. I like that.
Yeah, just orders at 55, but that doesn't mean it can't go through. It just takes a minute. We got to get some profit takers out of the way.
Let's get a little pullback. Tag me in. Guys, I will pick another winner. We're just going to do it later in the stream.
It's coming soon.
Continue to hit that like button if you haven't.
The stream is ending in 20 minutes. We're ending early today since it's Black Friday. The markets are on a half day, and this is kind of a special stream for y'all anyway. Special Black Friday gift, along with the 50% 50K Pro discount.
Coming soon like Santa. That's right. I'll come right down your chimney and drop the account under the tree for you. If you got your tree up already, I don't know.
That would be the project for today, I think.
I already got mine up. Let's go.
Okay, overachiever.
Well, my kids are in Florida. A couple of them are in Florida this week, so had to put the tree up before they left. Man, am I going to get this retest or what? Your tree is up and waiting for me? Perfect, James. At least with that account, I won't have to carry a big sack. It's just one account. So NQ's only going up. Yeah. It seems that way. It seems that way. What do we want for Christmas? All right. This is what I've asked for Christmas. I want a new seat cushion for my chair here, because the seat cushion that I have it's cushioned out. And then I said, I'll take some new shoes. And then I also asked for like some Beats headphones. I sat on Santa's lap, and that's what I told him I wanted. So hopefully Santa can deliver for me. Those are the things I want. Practical things that you can use. Broke Santa's thigh bone? I did. I sat down and he said, "Oh, young man." Oh, young man. Gabriel, you already have my blessing. All right, we're going to be tagged in here.
There we
go.
You are you at 20?
2150.
Yeah, I thought I was about to hit 20.
It didn't tag me in, guys.
Rude.
Very rude. Look at this thing. Now, if that goes to the TP already, I'm going to have to just take it off. Look at that.
Yeah, I thought you were about to get it. I saw that big candle go whoosh. I was like, here it comes.
The low on that candle is 2175 is the low on that candle. It missed me by one tick.
Yeah, 2150.
No, I didn't give Santa a lap dance. Trust me. Nope. We didn't talk about.
You should say what you wanted was that entry.
Yeah. Goodness, it's going to hit my target now. It missed me by one tick. That's insane.
And I was watching 20 too, so I was thinking, oh, it's going to go down and miss 20. But it saw your order. It's personally against you.
Sometimes when you're a sniper, all right, there it is. There's just not much you can do there. But that's the exact reaction you like on that style trade. You want it to just come down, hit it, bam, go straight to the profit target. So
there's the Black Friday posted in chat. If y'all have missed it, surely you haven't missed it. But telling you, it's the best deal of the year, and I think it will stay the best deal of the year.
Yeah, only good for today, though, guys. Don't sleep on it. Don't wait till tomorrow.
Don't be mad because we told you this is only today.
Don't wake up tomorrow and say, "Oh, I forgot. Look at it. Just to tease me, it's going to come back and almost take it again. Still didn't tag it yet. If you guys didn't know, anytime you put a line on your chart, you got to front run it. No matter what the line is, you got to front run it because it's going to be support. It's going to be resistance.
Yep.
That's how it happens.
Market does like to be like that.
So rude. Very, very rude. But the positive thing is we were right. That's the positive, right, that we can take out of it. We were right.
We still got it.
We didn't get tagged in, but we were right on the direction. It would have been a good entry.
If you'd posted it on X, that would have counted as a win.
That's true. I could. Well, I don't know if I can do that on Quantower, where you just put the instead of showing your executions, you just put the order thing. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
Like, okay, this would have been my
definitely
entry.
not photoshopped.
Yeah, I don't know how you do that on Quantower. So I'm sure there's a way.
Those guys have Photoshop templates ready to go.
I'm going to start doing that too, guys. I'm going to be like, took a 1,000 point trade today. Show executions or broker statements. No, I'm not doing that.
No, you show it. You just fake it. I've seen so many fake statements because they don't know what the real one looks like, so they miss little things.
I'm not sure what that means, Lamthotron. Somebody can help me with that. Barbie, that looks like a grape Summersby.
Got me.
I'm lost. I should take an entry now.
You need to take an entry so they know which way to go, and then blame you. Enter
right
now.
Do we know when contracts roll over? I really don't pay attention to that.
Yeah, they roll
Trader,
over in December for ES and NASDAQ.
Ninja Trader keeps up with it for me, and it tells me, you should roll over today. And I say, okay.
Well, they're quarterly, so you can go look. So this is the December contract. So we know they expire in December.
But I'm not quite sure when.
Well, I mean, there is like that rollover week, and I usually start trading it on the Monday, but so it's, let's see, it's the third Friday. So it's basically in the middle of the month you want to be switching. It's the middle of the month you need to plan on doing that. But the third Friday, so that Monday is usually when I do it, because usually by that Wednesday, there's no volume left on the old contracts. This is for ES and NASDAQ. It's different for like crude and stuff. They have different rollovers.
Yeah, I usually do like Monday as well.
Because those are quarterly, and some of the other assets are monthly. Like crude is monthly.
I might still take this trade. We'll see.
It used to drive me nuts because TradingView used to roll them on a Friday. So it's like I've been working on the same chart all week, and then all of a sudden Friday's different. It's like, what am I supposed to do now? But they kind of started doing the Monday thing too.
I might still take this. Probably not smart because it's like the third or fourth test, but I'm not sure. Not quite sure. What do you guys think? Should I take it or not? I think it could still work. We've been holding the 21 the whole way up, so we might still take it. I'm going to decide. All right, we're going to take it.
I thought you might decide that.
Yeah, we're going to take it. I mean, we got the 21 EMA there. We've been riding that up all morning. I mean, since before, right at what, 10:30. So we'll see. Like I said, it is kind of like the third or fourth test of this area. So I'm not sure that I love that, but at the same time,
you just have to be aware on a day like this. Yeah, we've got, we can't have these random little spikes because the tape's a little thin, meaning there aren't as many orders as usual, which should cause it little volatility spikes. But this is kind of what we were expecting today. So far, so good, right?
Yeah, I thought this morning I was like looking for that deeper pullback into the 300 to get long, and it just didn't happen. The market's so bullish. So, what up, Fayus? We got about 10 minutes left in the stream today, guys. If you got any questions or any comments, drop them in the chat. I'm going to pick a winner in just a few minutes. We are grinded up to 523 likes. Can we get it to 550? Can we get 27 more likes?
So close.
Hit that like
Mohit
button.
made $1,100 on an eval with the longest held trade. So let's do likes for Mohit.
Nice job. Nice job. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you're not subscribed to Barbie, jump over to her channel. Hit the subscribe button too. Subscribe to me as well. We do appreciate it. We finally crossed over 8,000. It felt like it took forever, but we finally got there. Deba Deep. I said your name. There you go. That's all I can do. All right. We're tagged in. It's going to dump now. You guys know it. You already know.
It's the rules.
It's just how it works. It's already going to dump now.
Hopefully the 54 area can hold it on ES.
Let's see. I don't like that reaction already. No!
It's just being dramatic for you.
Ooh, I heard a beep, but it didn't take me out. Is it going to one tick me on the sell side and then go to my profit? That'd be amazing. It wouldn't be the first time. Let's see. Come on, rip it up. Go. You know you wanna.
There is one of those volatility candles I was just talking about.
I'm in 10 minis here. Just kidding. 1 micro.
Ooh, we're almost to 550. Thanks, y'all. Y'all rock for that.
Oh. Go. Go.
Max, Bart.
Gosh. How will I ever financially recover?
Now it'll go.
I didn't even notice that that's actually that's the 1 minute, because I switched over to the 1 minute. I should have moved my stop down to like, not that it'll matter at this point, maybe like 3.99. I forgot I wasn't on the 2 minute, because that's the 2 minute 21 there. Oops. Might have put the stop a little lower. It may not matter ultimately.
This is the ugliest candle we've had on the 5 minute in a while, though. So
yeah, as soon as
we got caught up in an angry candle.
As soon as I get in long, I knew that was going to be probably a bad idea, but you never know. All right, everybody, drop the L's in the chat, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick from one of you guys. Drop the L's in the chat for me.
It's a very complicated celebration.
That's right. If it's an L, it's an L. We got to call it what it is, right? You got to call it what it is. A win's a win and a loss is a loss. All right, we're scrolling up. We're scrolling up. We're going to go as high as we can, and then we're just going to start scrolling down, and we'll stop somewhere. We'll stop somewhere. Where that is, no one knows. Let's just keep going to make it fair.
This is how you shuffle chat.
Yeah. We shuffle it up and down, up and down, up and down, and right there. Okay. Zoe Brescia. Congratulations. You have won 150K pro account. No, wait. What kind of account? It is a pro.
Yeah, it was 150K pro. We're giving the good stuff away today.
150K pro account. Let's go. There you go. There you go. They're still giving me L's. Guys, no, it's a win now. I gave an account away. It changed to a win.
It's just not for Mytho.
Zoe
got the win.
Yeah, as soon as I give the account away, now it's a win. Oh. Well, we're 1 for 2 today. I mean, 50% with a 1R. That's called break even, guys. That's break even. If you didn't know.
You win some, you lose some.
Yeah, that's how it is sometimes.
Getting ready for a Santa rally.
Can't complain
or
about it.
Or we're already in it, actually, probably.
Oh, another week, no progress, Gabriel. That's all right, though.
We'll get you. I mean, This is a slow week. I wasn't real focused on progress either. I've been more focused on kind of cleaning some stuff up and not making $1 million this week, but getting ready to make $1 million next year. Yeah.
Hey, they just picked the 50 winners for the core accounts, guys. Congratulations. You should get the notification soon, I would imagine. Good night, Nitish. Nitish. I don't quite know how to pronounce that. Epicus, you got to just keep in there. Keep in there. You'll win eventually.
We're trying
Oh.
to shuffle everybody up and make sure we share the love. Promise.
Yeah, doing the best we can. Say the winners. You want me to name all 50 of them? Can't do it. 50% is a win. That's what I'm saying. 50%. I'm going to go with 50.1. I'm going to say not 49.9, 50.1.
So I believe that y'all sent your email in for that one. So watch your email to find out if you were a winner of that one.
You'll get an email. Let's go. It'll take
And
a little
give it
time.
a minute. Yes, they're asking you to give it a minute since these are actual people contacting you. So give it a little bit.
Room, they already did that one. It's already been drawn. It was in the previous segment. So you had to fill out a form and give your email. The previous segment, not this one. Not this one. All right, we got about 4 minutes left here, guys. Let's see you guys have any final...
Yeah, I was watching NASDAQ's kind of coming down to that New York VWAP. We can see if that holds.
I mean, it's approaching that trend line too. Like this could be a short.
I mean, we're likely to hold the open, but CME messed us up. So where is the open? It's weird. I mean, it's 7:30 open's kind of weird.
Yeah, I don't really know. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart here. I mean, I think 381 to 368 would be kind of the next target down. The problem with the 381 here is like obviously you're shorting right into VWAP if you do take the short right here.
Yeah, Abhishek's reminding y'all too, this really is a really great offer, best special of the year, where you can get 50% off the pro account today only. And that comes with a 1 in 10 chance of getting a free reset. $0 activation, all the good stuff.
Use code
Best
YouTube.
deal of the year. That's
Code
the one.
YouTube. Code YouTube for the win. All right, I did jump in short here. Looking for that 368 level. I'm going to go stop to break even there. And then see if we can't get that deeper rundown. There's first target. Stop to break even. Now we're at a W. 2 for 3. That's a win. I think we can get a little bit deeper of a run here.
How deep can it go?
Well, it can go quite a bit lower, but we're in a big consolidation
There's
area
our open on
Yes.
NASDAQ.
So it may take a little bit to get through there.
ES barely missed it.
Yes, right at the VWAP too. So I need it to just push right through there. Don't bounce. Don't bounce.
Not yet.
No. Down. Down goes Rocky or Tyson or one of them. All right, I got stopped out on the runner. That's all right. So a little break of structure there on the 5-minute as well as the 2-minute. So that's why I took that. We kind of pushed below the VWAP. We just took it. I mean, we probably run down to the 330s into the close potentially, but I'm not gonna give that a lot of room there.
So normally the market gets a little more weird the longer we go on, and that could be accelerated today since the New York session is closing early today at 1 o'clock, I believe.
I'm supposed to short the pullback. Oh my! Let me write that down. Hold on. Where's my pen? No, I don't disagree.
Buy the
with
longs,
you.
always buy the highs, always sell the lows. That's how we do it, right?
Yeah, I don't disagree with him there. He's probably right, but a lot of momentum there. Pretty much a death candle. You know,
Yeah, that was a high
reason.
volume candle too. So
Yeah.
somebody was in on that, and it could have been profit taking. That's the thing that happens when the book's a lot lighter, meaning we don't have as many orders going into the market is an order that might cause a small drop on a normal day is causing a bigger drop today.
And
It could just be a normal profit taking.
you're potentially got a 1 minute inversion right back up here at the London close.
Yeah.
It could push back into like the 410, 415 would kind of make sense, but we'll see if this closes above or not.
It's looking pretty good. It's just got to work back through those same spots, the 50 level, all that on the ES.
We are coming up on our time for the day, guys. We do appreciate you guys watching. We will be back to our regular scheduled program on Monday. Remember, code YouTube.
Cyber Monday.
Yep, Cyber Monday. Code YouTube to get that 50% off deal. It does end. When's it end? 3 a.m., right? Is that right? I can't remember the exact time.
It ends basically today. I don't remember the time either, but
Yeah, I don't remember.
Get it done. Seriously.
But yeah, get in there, get the deal while you can. We appreciate you guys watching. Barbie, I hope you have a good weekend. Abhishek.
There it is, 3 a.m. Yep. Confirmed.
I did think it was 3 a.m. Yeah. Abhishek, Magnus, everybody behind the scenes. Hope you guys have
Thankful for y'all.
Good weekend as well. Luke. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.